I ran. I poop. I poop, I ran. Well, today we are back. We got deals. We got action. Another day, another dollar. Holla, holla, holla. At your brother from another mother. We got DMoney in the house.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are back.
Have you, as anybody get people seeing you on the street calling you, yelling out, DMoney?
A couple weeks ago on the beach.
On the beach?
Yeah, I got spotted, man.
On the fucking beach, huh?
I got spotted twice in Target. Last weekend I got spotted in Target as well. So
yeah, see, what happens is you get to the point where you're too rich, too famous. Can't even go to Target no more.
Can't even go to Target.
Can't even go to Target.
Oh,
the people, they see me, they crowd me. They surround me, man. I can't, It doesn't work. It doesn't work. So, we're back. Today, a lot of stuff going on. 70% off. Exclusive deal at Legends Trading. If you've never heard of Legends, we did a tournament with Legends back in the day. But today we're back again. I said that like 5 times. We just keep saying it until something clicks. I don't know why I'm look so pale in here. The lighting.
Yo. Yeah. What happened to the Spurs? Oh man, you gotta love it, chat. You gotta love it.
Well, they won by 1 point. I saw.
Yeah, man. What a crazy. You know what? They deserve to lose, chat. If you give away that lead like that, these guys were up over 20 points.
Being hard on them.
They were up over 20 points, guys. The Spurs were up over. It was literally so bad I turned it off. It was a blowout.
No, you turned it off.
I literally turned it off. I'm like, this is ridiculous. Yeah, because it wasn't a close game.
Bad, he said.
So I literally turned it off, and then I had to like double. You know how you turn it off, chat, and then you like go and check the final score, and you had to refresh it. You're like, wait. I'm like, hold on.
You turned it off, and then you turned off the internet just to make sure that it was off. Man, DMoney, he's a hard cookie.
Man,
hard cookie.
They deserve that, chat. They're done. You can stick a fork in them at this point. No team, I think, other than LeBron, right? With these guys came back from 3-1, so you could stick a fork in them. They're cooked.
It's over.
Yeah, it's over.
Man, that guy's hard cookie. Already calling it. So you're saying I should go all in on the Knicks?
Oh yeah. They're gonna win that series. First time in like 52.
I saw the betting odds last night went crazy.
Oh yeah.
Because I guess.
Can you imagine that? Like the people that were on the Knicks, you know what I mean? They definitely banked if you kind of, because it was a one-sided game for the extended, obviously the majority of the game, chat.
Who bet on the Knicks last night? Who bet on the Spurs? $1 million question. DMoney said he had to turn it off. Lost all his money.
Oh yeah.
He said you can't lose if you don't look at it. I looked at my betting app and it was all gone, so I just turned my internet off.
Man.
Well, another night of I don't know what you call it, just pump again. Another pump, just to pump all the way back up to the range that we were in yesterday.
Yeah.
Seems like this has been the pattern, right? We just can't stay down. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing or what. Obviously I'm bearish on the SQQ right now, but we are kind of putting in lower highs so far after that dump on Tuesday.
Yeah.
I would say the trend is obviously still down, but just market being annoying how it won't just stay down. Stay down. Just get down there, you bastard. I mean, if we could just, go down to 27,000 really quickly, I wouldn't be mad about it. Just a little quick.
Well,
we got SpaceX tomorrow.
That's the thing, right?
I think what people really don't understand about SpaceX is that you're not buying into a startup company, right? People, they're like, oh man,
No.
this is gonna be a 10xer, 100xer.
That valuation is crazy.
Because, well, I saw a great thing about how Walmart. I think Walmart's like, it's like 700 billion in revenue, right? And their valuation is like half of, you know, SpaceX.
Yeah.
And it's just like, the amount of money that would have to be pumped into SpaceX alone to double the market cap. You got a $1.4 trillion evaluation. So for it to double, you would need another $1 trillion to get put into it. Like, I don't know. I think a lot of people are going to get burnt.
Unfortunately, yeah.
Seems like it's just, I think it's just a big pump and dump, in the sense that all these rich people that bought into SpaceX and all that before, you know, they're going to be laughing all the way to the bank, while retail investors hold the bag. You know, they're going to be holding the bag real hard.
They're the exit liquidity. Yep. Yeah, I would rather some kind of, I mean, if I'm even going to entertain it, Chad, I think I need a drastic pullback, right? The valuation, what is it, 135? I think, right, 135. So
I mean, I don't think there's, no matter what, there's no way to value to value it.
Yeah.
Right? Like, I think it's just gonna, we'll see. Yeah, in 50 years they'll make it back. In 50 years I'll be dead. I'm not invested on no 50-year time frame. Shit, the stock market's gonna be gone in 50 years. They're like, don't worry guys, in 50 years SpaceX it'll be profitable. Once SpaceX takes over the whole entire universe. They're only floating 5% of the SpaceX stock, and they're holding back early investors so they don't sell on the first day. Oh yeah, that's what they tell you.
Yeah, that's what they.
That's what they tell you.
Yeah, that's what they're saying, but
you know, they tell you that, but the truth is, I don't know. I think it's just the problem is no matter what you do, it's a market cap issue no matter what. So the price of the stock is really irrelevant, because at the end of the day, it's market cap, right?
Yeah.
If someone looks at that, it's like, wow, you know, let's say the price of the stock doubles on day one. Well, now the market cap just double. And, you know, it's like more to it. Yeah, it says 30% is this time private investors. Normally it's 5 to 10% on SpaceX. You can think who gets fucked first. I don't know. DMoney, is Fox your twin brother? Is there a basketball player named Fox?
Yeah.
Y'all look alike?
De'Aaron Fox. I mean, people say
just because you're black.
Yeah,
like,
just because. Sometimes guys. I
they
mean,
do the same thing with me and Gordon Rand. Don't worry.
It's a little. You know, every black person DMoney looks like over here.
I swear to God, I had an Amazon driver. He pulls up. He goes, "Man, anybody ever tell you look like Gordon Ramsay?" I'm looking at him like, "Is it because I'm white?" He's like, I don't know, man. He just like didn't really know why, but he just said it, and I'm like, well, anybody ever may you say you look like fucking Charlie Murphy, the guy from Dave Chappelle show?
Chappelle show, yeah.
The guy started busting out laughing. He's like, that's pretty good. I'm like, exactly.
Man,
just fucking, we just out here just, oh, you look like so and so because you black or you white.
It's crazy.
You got a big old head and you're white. You must be Gordon. You must be related to Gordon Ramsay. Well, right now, the NASDAQ, it's painful, man. These overnight pumps have just been incessant for no reason. And it's crazy, too, because, I mean, they're big pumps.
Yeah,
you think 250 up there at 900? What, that's, you know, 700 points overnight.
It's crazy, man.
So it's not like little, you know, like little pumps. And especially while the whole Iran stuff, it's just crazy to me that the whole Iran thing is, you know, it's still going on, but I think now the world has just basically
numb to it,
decided that it's a nothing burger, which is pretty wild. Because, you know, originally when the whole Iran thing was going on, it was like every time they tweeted, the market was moving. But now it's like we're shooting bombs at Iran and the market's going up at night. So it's like, You gotta love it. Someone said, D-Money, you look like Jerome. Uh-oh.
Oh, man.
Uh-oh. Now that, I don't know if that's a...
Chat.
I don't know if that's a compliment or if that's
I mean, we talked about that yesterday a little bit. We don't really know, Chad. I'm not sure we're related. I think he's trying to kind of hang on to the family name. You know how you got that person out there that they, Chad. I got to be real for a second. Maybe PW can relate. Maybe he can't. But there's a lot of guys in the black community. There's a lot of people that say that people are cousins, right?
Cousins?
And they're not really cousins. Chat. I mean, that's my cousin. Well, is he really? So
we're cousins, right?
Well, we're more like brothers. So
hey.
But yeah, I mean, I think that's the situation with Jerome, Chat. I don't think we're actually blood relatives or anything. I don't think the guy, right? In the black community, unfortunately, people try to claim you guys as cousins, and we are not. So my mom has not given me proof that we are cousins.
Wow.
She
Poor
likes Jerome
catching
for some
strays
reason.
right now.
So
Jerome's catching strays.
that's just what it is.
Messed up. D-Money he's ruthless. D-Money is ruthless. What do you think, chat? You think D-Money, is he, are him and Jerome, are they brothers from cousins? I don't know.
Family's family.
Hey, what's that saying? You can't pick your family.
Yeah, that's the saying, right?
That's the saying, right? You can't pick your family. Jerome's a crackhead. Well, I mean, I didn't want to say it, but there has been discussions about Jerome's, crackability. All right, well, pulling up the charts here. We still got a little bit of time. Well, plenty of time, actually.
Yeah.
It's overnight, the high so far. This has been kind of a pattern lately, right? Kind of taking out the overnight high and then reversing afterwards. We had Trump tweeting this morning. So far, the overnight high, kind of that 29,000 area, pretty much. So 28, I think the high was 28,930 area. So that's the overnight high for now. You can see how large this range is. We kind of had a double bottom. I think if we break through that 28,260 level, there is a waterfall of a move to the downside. Yeah. We'll see if it's going to be similar to, that Friday move from last week. Another Friday sell-off.
Yeah, it's the SpaceX.
Especially with the SpaceX stuff going on.
IPO, yeah.
Interesting. I don't want to. I'm trying to not predict what's going to happen, but I feel like if SpaceX is lackluster, then it's gonna be a red day for a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
But even if SpaceX goes up, it's just also kind of a question of, does that take money out of the other momentum, hype stocks right now? So we'll see. I did ask Gemini AI, who is D-Money show. The response is LOL. I don't know if I want to see that response. The AI, man. The AI. Well, yeah, overnight, there was stuff going on with what do we call it? The Iran stuff going on, tweeting about it. I haven't really seen anything else headline-wise. We had some news this morning, right?
Yeah, you had. Trump came out and said that we're going to seize Iran's one of their islands and oil infrastructure as well. So, very interesting.
He posted on the old Twitter, or the Truth, that the United States will be hitting Iran very hard tonight. At some point in the not too distant future, we'll be taking Karg Island and all other infrastructure points and assume total control of their oil and gas markets, much like we have with Venezuela, which is working out brilliantly for both Venezuela and the United States of America. Thank you for your attention to this matter, President Donald Trump. Like, he's just out here just, let everybody know, like, yeah, hey, we're taking over all their oil and gas. Thank you for your attention on this matter.
To this matter. Like,
but what I don't understand, though, is, I mean, if we took over the whole, Venezuela oil and all that, then why the fuck are we still paying so much for oil?
Man. Yeah.
The diesel on the West Coast, almost $8.
Man.
I'm filling my truck up $8 a gallon.
For me, guys, the G-Wagon, if you want to know how much it is to fill up the G-Wagon.
I saw you drove the Honda today.
Oh, yeah, how about the car seat in there?
Hey, tough times over here. Tough times. The G-Wagon ain't getting driven no more. Can't afford the gas.
So
can you all hit the like button, please?
Yeah, hit the like button.
More likes,
chat.
more gas in DMoney's G-Wagon. He can only afford 2 gallons of gas per day right now.
I could not make it here, chat.
He had to cut back. He said, am I going to have money to take my date out tonight? Or am I going to fill the G-Wagon up?
Oh, man. Chat, it was like $127 to fill up the G-Wagon. So just for perspective there, chat.
You let Landon borrow the G-Wagon, he'll fill it up for you.
Yeah.
You got money.
Yeah, I saw that as well. Iran just stated that Elon Musk's interests in Middle East are considered military targets. Yeah, I saw that.
Why?
Very, very strange, chat, right? That all of a sudden,
this is the same shit about like Nvidia and all that too.
Yeah.
They're just...
Yeah, it's crazy.
Let's be honest. The next tweet is, we consider the BDH a military target. What are you doing? You leaving the BDH?
We go.
You gonna leave or you staying?
Are we military grade? Are we ready for a nuclear, or like, are we gonna sustain?
You're gonna leave us, D-Money? Come on.
I'm black, guys. Any kind of chat. Black people run before the crime. And listen, I'm not even guilty of any kind of crimes, chat. And if you commit a crime, I'm out of there. I could not hang around. So I know PW is gonna be here. He's gonna have his shirt off.
I'll be here until the end of the world.
He'll have his shirt off in here, and he's with BDH and war paint across his chest.
Yeah, I'll be on the roof with a rocket launcher.
D-Buddy will be trying to look for some kind of shelter, guys. I'm not sure what that looks like, but...
Man, I thought you were a real one. I thought you'd be up there on the roof with me fighting, trying to help with the satellites at least. It'd be me out with a rocket launcher and D-Money trying to adjust the satellites so that we can get the rocket launcher to shoot straight.
Oh,
Come on, we get the helicopter out. We're going to war. BDH military. Me and D-Money, an army of 2. We got Landon to help out as well. He's here for the summer, so he can help us. D-Money don't want no smoke.
Yeah.
He don't want no bombs. All right, well, pulling up the chart here once again. That last hour of the candle obviously got a big wick. I think that news came out or whatever, the tweet from Trump.
Yeah, that's what it was.
We got a big reaction to the downside. And right now just kind of holding on there. I mean, I'm still overall bearish. Right? It's hard to be bullish. Just kind of with the just the trend alone. Mm-hmm. It's bearish. I'd say you can't really get excited to be bullish here until, at this point, I'd say like 29,500 area.
Yeah.
But that don't mean there ain't no longs along the way. I say that like in kind of like a contextual idea, in the sense that, I'm leaning towards shorts more than longs, but there's obviously always some time to make some money on the longs too, on those pop and the drops. So
yeah, I mean, you got almost like a double top on the 1 hour chart. Kind of see that up there, right? So from that 3 o'clock candle from overnight, chat, right, starting there and kind of going to work your way to the right of the chart, you got a double top there. That's bearish. So if we can say, in my opinion, below 28,800, I think we kind of retest that bottom wick on the current 1 hour candle, which puts us lower 600s, right? 28,600. We break that, then could be headed towards 28,409, which is yesterday's daily candle low. right? So, yeah, I mean, it's hard to, now, do we get some kind of pop-up here? We're not sure, chat. We're momentum traders either way, so that's why we're kind of clarifying that. We don't really care what they do when the market opens, right? We're going to try to join the momentum either way. We just want a directional move, chat, right? We want a directional move. Give us a solid move in either direction, and make no mistake about it, we're going to try to join the party. That's it. So
kind of looking like a bear flag right now. Like if that wick on the 15-minute candle, the 8:30 candle wasn't there, you'd be thinking it was a pretty nice looking bear flag.
Yeah. We
do have some support there at the VWAP clearly for now. We got a pivot point right there, 738, and then always the area to think about here is your dotted line down there. That's going to be the previous day close, right? Previous day close, the dotted line. So we got a few things going on. We are below the EMA there on the 15-minute chart. But this is also kind of an area that we got stuck at yesterday and chopped around, right? That bottom of that 15-minute range from yesterday. So hopefully we get a nice directional move here. We don't get that big choppy, nasty action at open. And we can make some money here, right? That's all. That's the game plan. Make a little bit of money so that I can pay for DMoney. G-Wagon. That thing ain't cheap, man. Hertz car rental G-Wagon services, $700 a day. I told Lanny he can't go to college because I got to pay for DMoney's. I got to pay for DMoney's G-Wagon. Sorry, Landon.
Oh, man.
Fucked up. DMoney taking the college right out of Landon's future.
Oh, man.
I don't know why he's laughing so hard.
Chat,
man,
no,
the poor kid. The poor kid is here, man. You're just laughing about him not going to college. He's going to have to work on satellites on the roof. DMoney said, don't worry, I'll teach you how to adjust the satellite. You'll be fine.
Oh, man.
That's a 6-figure job right there, satellite adjustment. So, we're going fishing this weekend. Actually, there's a fishing tournament on Saturday. And me and Lanny are going to go win it.
Nice.
Just the two of us. Not even going to bring anybody else. Just going to go catch the biggest mahi-mahi and then winner, chicken dinner. Right, Landon?
Nice.
Yeah, he said. He's up. Landon's figuring out how much money I have in my Pokemon cards right now. Great to have a 14-year-old or 13-year-old, almost 14-year-old. He's definitely growing, though.
Man, yeah.
He's getting a little taller.
Man.
I look at him now, and I'm like, damn, I didn't know they could stack shit that tall.
That's crazy.
He's not even phased.
Real quick.
He's not even phased anymore about the things that I say. Just, yeah, whatever. He's at that age. Don't listen. I don't listen to nothing you say, Dad. Oh, okay.
All right, come on, chat. We got to get to 1,000 likes here. We're getting closer to 930. It's 919 right now. We're sitting at 445 likes, so we got to keep that streak alive, chat. We've had over 1,000 likes before 930 for months, so do us a solid. We have 2,700 people rocking out here. We're gonna ramp up here as we get closer to the open. Make no mistake about it. So hit the like button if you haven't already. If you're not subscribed, you know the vibes.
The vibes.
Like for the G-Wagon gas. Yeah. Oh, man. That was a quick commercial break. Yeah, we got to make sure that we keep the likes up.
You got a commercial break?
Yeah, that's what they're saying. We hit 2,000 likes. We had like 2,100 likes on the AM show yesterday, guys. We got to keep that streak alive. So do us a solid, hit the like button. Come on, man.
They said they want a ping pong game. Maybe tomorrow. I think tomorrow is going to be hot. I'm excited because of the whole SpaceX thing. So I think we'll be streaming for the SpaceX history IPO yet tomorrow. So tune in for that. Maybe do a little ping pong action. A little ping ponging.
I'll be ready, chat.
We got to put some like real money on it this time. You know, I'm thinking like 5,000 a game.
Oh man, well,
5,000 a game. You know, don't hate. No.
Hold up.
No, we'll just take her out of your paycheck. You'll be fine. Don't worry.
Deduction.
Yeah, I know.
Wage
hey, I know
garnishment.
how good you're good for a few games.
Wage garnishment.
Wage garnishment. Come on. Ginger, is this approved by HR? She approved it. Every game's 5K. You're playing for your yearly salary. $5,000 basketball. Whoa now.
Oh man, let's go.
Bringing people to bet. Yeah, there we go. We're gonna have like some bleachers.
Yeah.
People betting on the side.
We got to do that basketball. I'm still ready for that, chat. Whenever that happens, make no mistake about it.
Denny just texted me, said he wants $10,000 a game versus you playing basketball.
Yeah, he wants it, but he don't want the smoke. Trust me.
What's the rule? Is it going to be just one-on-one?
No, we can do
first
one-on-one.
to 10, or what is that? How's that look?
Yeah, first to 10, 11,
first to 10, one-on-one.
15, he
Denny
wants
just
21.
said 10K. He got whoop your ass.
Denny will not.
He wants me to float his 10K bet.
Yeah, he wants you to float him. He's going to need you to float him because he's going to be in debt.
But he said it's guaranteed he's going to win.
Nah, he's not gonna win.
He texts me right now.
Denny, I know
he said there's no way that DMoney's gonna be able to stop him.
Okay,
He's gonna roll you up like a fucking caterpillar.
Nah. So
Roly-poly.
Denny, you know
you
I got.
See what he's saying right now. It's very aggressive.
I got
he's gonna roll
for
you up like a caterpillar, roly-poly.
Like a caterpillar, yeah.
And then slap that ass, and then rub your shiny head over there, and dunk on you.
So we know PW added some ad libs in their chat.
No,
but,
I got the proof. Look, now he's in the chat. The guy is on fire right now. I think he's fired up.
He's gonna lose, chat, no doubt about it.
I think he said he just went for a walk, did a mile walk. He's proud of his mile walk.
Okay.
He's bragging about getting a mile in this.
I mean, he's been eating chicken, rice, and broccoli for 3 months, and he's still gonna lose, chat.
Oh,
that's not gonna save him.
No, not the the broccoli.
He adjusted his diet for this game, and he's still gonna lose. Man. Oh, he said he walked 4 miles. Denny, that's not gonna help you, man.
The funny thing is, when Denny runs, looks like he's walking. Them little legs. He's running, but he's actually walking normal speed.
Oh man.
He said he's on a protein diet now. Oh man. This is gonna get wild and crazy, chat. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, DMoney, he gets a little self-conscious. You know, I see him over there, he keeps looking in the mirror. He's like, why don't we get no likes? I'm like, I don't think it has anything to do with your looks. Like, he says he's convinced that it has something to do with his looks. So I'm like, I don't know, man. Now I think he might be blaming me because I'm messing up the like ratio. So right now the NASDAQ is holding up 28,780. What do you guys think? Up or down today? We got SpaceX tomorrow. The rocket ship trying to take off. What was the poll yesterday? Everybody said we're going down, then we went up, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. We said that was going to happen. All right, so today we do the opposite again. Up or down? Let us know in the chat. What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Someone get, hey, Demarius Money. What are you thinking? Who the fuck is Demarius? That's DMoney.
Yeah, why are you trying to use my government around here?
Yeah, dude.
Like,
he's like, if I ask DMoney with his real name, he'll have to answer me.
Yeah, it's like crazy.
You're like, oh, fuck.
Come on, man.
50-50 again today. Can we trade SpaceX on Warbucks tomorrow? No, you cannot. Not yet. All right, now the chat is leaning towards it going up. So I think that means we go short.
Yeah, we go short.
Let's do the exact opposite. So today we've got a deal going on right now for only $17. You got Legends 50K end of day eval. It does include a activation fee for full transparency, but for only $17, you could buy multiple accounts over there. Get crazy. Wow, that's right now the poll is 50%. Could you guys not be decisive? Everyone in the chats is like, look, it's literally 50-50.
Yeah.
It's not even 49-50. It's 50-50.
Yeah, that's crazy. You don't see that too often.
Yeah. So that means chop.
Yeah.
That means everyone's going to go long and short at open, and it's not going to work.
Man. Come on, guys.
You got to love it.
We're almost there. We got 846 likes, chat. Do us a solid, hit the like button. We got to hit 1,000 before market open here. We got less than 5 minutes, so we're ramping up. We got 3,300 plus people. We're going to climb here, obviously, in the next 5 or 10 minutes or so. So hit the like button if you haven't already. If you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? We rock out Monday through Friday, no later than 9 a.m. Trying to make a little money.
Shoo, man. That guy, like, you a professional. People people be like, man, you and D-Money be sounding the same. People say, I'm stealing what you saying, and then you stealing what I'm saying. I'm saying, I think he stole all my stuff. Jerome said that's what he was like, that when they were kids, that D-Money would, take all of Jerome's sayings.
Yeah, this guy.
And then go tell the girls, and then, try to steal the girls from Jerome.
Jerome's a hater.
I could see that.
Jerome's a hater.
Knowing you for as long as I know you, I can see that. When you were a kid, you were probably out there stealing all the women.
Jerome,
telling all Jerome's, little girlfriends, oh no, hey, Jerome, he got,
Jerome's Afro chat has always been nappy and malnourished. So that,
man, wait. I've been told that there's a few things in life that you don't talk about, right? You don't talk about a man's wife, and you don't talk about a man's afro. You just broke the cardinal rule.
Well, I'm confused.
I'm kind of worried now because Jerome might just show up here and start shooting.
Yeah.
Because, I feel like that was fighting words.
We might get in a fight. I mean, I'll beat him up plenty of times, but his Afro chat.
Yeah, you beat him up?
I beat him up.
He says he beats you up.
I beat him up plenty of times, guys.
I mean, somebody is doing, someone's lying here. I don't know who it is. What do you think, chat? You think D-Money can beat up Jerome? I don't know. I feel like Jerome's got a little bit on him, a little bit of heat on him.
Jerome took a $20 payout on Apex.
You got a $20 payout?
Hey, Jerome, yeah.
Well, I thought the minimum was 100.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Well, either way, we're getting ready here for Market O. We got 2 minutes, chat. 2 minutes. Oh my Lord, I'm excited. I'm fired up. It's time. It's time. We'll see what happens here at open. Right now, we got the high overnight up there, 28,900 level. We got this low from the tweet about Iran down there as well. Kind of two interesting levels. If we run the high, run the low first, which way do we go, up or down? It's anybody's guess. But I'll tell you one thing that I know. I know for sure that we are the biggest. We're the largest. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you are missing out on all the fun. I heard every time you hit the like button, it helps put a little bit of gas in the G-Wagon. So D-Money's got a hot date this weekend. A couple hot dates, actually. He needs extra gas money to drive around in South Florida. He's got a date in Miami, a date in Hialeah, a date in Key West, and a date in Fort Lauderdale, all on the same day. I asked him how he's going to do it. He said, don't you worry about me, Jack. I know what I'm doing. That's a lot of driving, my friend. But, hey, you got to get it in. You got to get it in. I like it. Start early. A little early morning sunrise breakfast.
Oh, yeah. Little
then you head south, little brunch.
Oh, yeah.
Then do a little late lunch.
Man. And
then a little, maybe an early dinner. And then a late night.
It's crazy.
That's like 7 dates one day, no problem.
Yeah, it's going to be a long weekend, chat.
That's a lot of work for one man. But if anybody can do it, it's D-Money. That's right.
We hit 1,000 likes, guys. We appreciate the support. Let's keep it going.
All right, we're getting ready here for open. 20 seconds. Do-do-do-do. Music right now is just working music. Should have known it. Straight down. Oh, yeah. Straight up. Straight down, straight up. Oh my Lord, is it? Market just froze or something there for a second.
Yeah, froze for a little.
I don't know if that was Trade Debate or if that was the market. Which one is it? All right, so far, I can't tell if Trade Debate's doing this or if it's just the market's like bouncing around here. Teleporting right now. My candlestick was at 700, then it went back to 780 and then back down again. So far holding right here. If we get back above 780, I might try a quick little long before I push up towards like 820s or so. Basically back. Oh, trying that long there. Oh God. Instantly rejected there. That was really terrible. Out of that one. Wow. Instant rejection. What in the world was that? That was that instant 50-point drop there after entering long. You gotta love it. And now back down again. Straight down like
shorts.
Lieutenant Dan.
Shorts are looking prime here. So let's see. All right, we got
Off the VWAP again.
yeah. All right, so you got the high so far, guys, 28,786.25. So we're kind of waiting now to see who kind of wins this battle. This is a nasty 5-minute candle because you got that long wick at the top and the bottom. So it's a battle going on between the Bulls and the Bears. I think if we lose this low below 680, then more downside. Obviously, if we're able to get back above that high, 786, then you're looking for possibly longs. Got to be a little patient.
Stuck right below that pivot point for now. 740 area. Try to get down there to that tweeting low. Low
Yeah.
tweeting.
Let's see. Put us.
$680s, kind of holding there for now. Right there at the VWAP. Break the VWAP area. See what happens. But right now, kind of reacting. VWAP again, bouncing there. ES is selling. NASDAQ's looking weak. NVIDIA also pulling back here, but still just holding right there at the VWAP. Will the VWAP be the support the market needs here? Holding. We lose 680s. Should try to move down there 600s or more next. Kind of the overnight low area.
5-minute ORB is going to be set here in about a minute, chat. All right, 680 text again. Come on, man. Give us something. Break 680 and then head to lower 600s.
You're trying. 680 tap in
Yeah.
there. Crazy moves here.
671. All right, ORB set here, chat. 671 is the low. Got the high at 786.25, right? So this is the 5-minute ORB is set. So now I'm kind of waiting for, see if we get a move here. I mean, is this a double bottom on the 5-minute chart for a push right back up? Or are we gonna get a yoke here?
Big wicks. Nasty. I hate when this shit is how it does, like what it does, you know, like
Yeah.
this kind of bullshit. So it wants to go down. ES is moving down a lot more than the NASDAQ right now. Like, it's not the same, it's not all wicked out.
Yeah.
ES is like actually go, like, whereas the NASDAQ right now is just kind of wicking down here.
Hesitating, yeah. You got like a double bottom on NQ on the 5-minute chart.
Yeah,
To the
ES
left.
already made a new low, where the NASDAQ's kind of wicking, holding down there for now. So Gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. Chop Chop City right now. And look at that. We're right back up again.
You got the 14 EMA chat sitting at 770. So is that going to be like a reactionary level?
Look at oh my lord.
Look at the pump.
Trying to quick long to see if it's going to pump straight through all this. Right where I got long earlier just to feel it again. I want to feel the pain one more time. Looking for a push through the 800s here. Really? We break through 800, could go 840, 850, 860s I'm looking for. So they're building up something happening here.
Yeah.
Got to be a little patient, try to get through here. Stop for me is like below the 740 level, basically. Wanted to keep it bouncing there, 740s. Now, like right back down. Gotta love it. Still long. Might get stopped out. Stopped out. Oh, God. The fuck? Are you, like, look at this shit.
Yeah, the 15-minute candle.
Straight back down again.
Bearish now, so let's see.
That was wild.
670 area. Yeah, I think I mean, this is just kind of whipsaw here, guys. Nothing yet. Need to break, right? If we're gonna flush, then I need a candle closure below 670.
Holding up at 680s for now.
$15-minute candle is bearish, chat, right? You had a rejection off the 50 EMA. You got, this is the new 5-minute candle, so is this thing gonna push up? See, the problem is now that top wick on the 5-minute candle, but a lot of times they'll want to dig into that top wick. So if we flush here, so be it, but you almost feel like they're gonna test that top wick on the 5-minute chart, right, before going lower, but could be wrong.
Am I rich? Maybe. $10,000 of Pokemon cards right there? Fuck yeah. We're rich, boy.
Yeah, I think they dig into that top wick.
Well,
right back inside the ORB.
Just holding up here. 680s cannot get through 680s for now. We'll have to see what happens.
I think you might get a test here of the highs, guys, of that previous 5-minute candle, right? A lot of times we'll dig into that previous candle's wick, even if they want to go lower. Something's coming here. Just got to be patient, I think.
It's amazing how well 660s is holding here now.
Yeah.
It's almost like there's just a magical force out there just holding.
It's holding it, yeah.
What the fuck?
Come on.
660s. Can't get through there for now. We get through there, we should move quickly to the downside. That's if they break it. ES is making new lows right now. NASDAQ is not, so. Crazy. Right back up again, 720s.
All right. 15-minute ORB. Got about a minute 45 seconds left here, chat, for this thing to be set. You see how they're trying to dig into that previous 5-minute candle's wick up top. Because when you get that kind of candle closure with that long top wick, a lot of times they will dig into that. They'll push up there and kind of retest, even if they're going to go lower, and then you'll get a rejection. So kind of trap some people thinking that it's time to go lower, right? Basically right off that 672, but you get a pullback the opposite direction. That's what they're doing.
And straight back up. Gotta love it.
Minute candle, 35 seconds here, guys. We got ORB setting up for the 15-minute chart. It's a nasty kind of pin bar candle, long bottom wick.
760, 660, the range right now. They just, the algorithm is running it, baby. Running this market. Crazy.
You got like some equal highs up there, chat. So I think you're looking possibly for a drop here back to 650 possibly, or whoa, here's the yoke.
Straight up through the 800s again.
What a crazy.
It's like it's news trading.
Yeah.
But not no news.
Yeah.
Running up there through the 800s now. Will they push it?
Oh, yeah, this is...
Dude.
You gone. Oh yeah. Well, hey, we took. Hey, chat. You gotta get. Hey, this is crazy. Okay. Well, took a quick long.
All right. Well,
79.
wow.
Yeah, had a pop. So
couldn't go lower. Had
Yeah.
to go higher, I guess. Back to 860s now.
Breakout above, obviously, the ORB chat. You're 100 points above it. So
Overnight high is going to be up there, 28,930 area. Seems like a pretty good spot to push to, right? I'm going to try this moment, see if this momentum is going to continue to the upside here. Do that 900 push. Need to go. Kind of looking for this overnight high area to push to would be the target here. The overnight high is 935, so
I mean, a lot of volatility here, guys. Explosion, right? I mean, you had a pause, kind of weird open, little wonky open with some kind of chop, and then all of a sudden you get a massive kind of break to the upside here. So the momentum at the moment, clearly the bulls have kind of magically appeared. So
now stuck here. Try to buy this dip. See if we can stay above 800. Struggling here. There we go. Come on. Give me that push through 900s here. There we go. There we go. There we go, boys. Come on. Are you kidding me? Get it. We're up 15,000 on that trade. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Looking for that overnight high now. Overnight high up there, 930 area. Let's fucking push it. Give it to me, baby. You pussy ass bitch.
she goes.
Woo!
Oh,
God
man.
damn, D.
Yeah, what
God damn.
what a crazy like
What the fuck?
Yeah, this is crazy, guys.
All right, so we are now up 6,000 times 5 accounts. I'm not gonna say that was not a lot of luck, but that was definitely.
Hey, take it.
Hey, we'll take it.
Yeah.
We'll take it, chat. We will take it. Look at that pump from the 800s up there to the 918s. That's 100 points on the pumpity. We like it. We like it. We want more of it.
Yeah, she's still going, guy. What a crazy kind of open here, right? So you had a stall, and we couldn't break down. PW said it. We couldn't break down. So, I mean,
they want to go lower.
Yeah, they want to go lower.
I guess.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Boner
Still
candle
going.
for the save. Still going. 960s now. That's through the highs. Should we lock out the account? Probably should lock out there, I guess. Might go to yesterday's high. Cray with little Ray.
Yeah, you got yesterday's high, 29,250, chat.
This is pure gambling. Pick up direction and pray. Hey, man, thank you.
Oh, man.
I mean,
There you
hey.
go.
I mean, you know, if...
What did you,
hey,
what trades did you put on?
You know the way I look at it? It's like, if you can make money gambling,
Yeah.
then you make money.
Yeah. Yeah,
You know,
obviously you're tuned into the show, so
I mean, I'm not even mad about it.
yeah.
I'm not even mad about it.
I mean, at this point, it's an opening range breakout to the upside, chat. All right. I mean, that's what it is. So
I mean, I'm not even mad about it. You know, hey, it is what it is.
yeah, this thing is
That's 5 accounts,
Still going.
lucid accounts here, locked in. I'm gonna lock these down for the day. She's still going higher, by the way. I mean, maybe it was gambling, maybe it was not. I don't know. We'll take it either way. So, yeah.
about a minute, 48 seconds left on the 5-minute chart.
Crazy move, though.
Yeah,
Absolutely
that is a
move.
crazy.
This fucking market is so
Yeah,
cooked.
this is crazy, man.
So cooked, this market.
So yeah, I think 29,000, chat. I mean, it has to. I would say there's probably a high chance that we hit 29,000, right? At least because of the psychological level. So I mean, you know, you would probably say that
29,000, almost getting tapped.
Yeah.
God, there you go. At least I'm gonna go ahead and lock it out here. Either way, I'm gonna lock it down. Yes, lock it real good. All right, we're locked out there of the lucid account. 6,000 times 5. I think that's $30,000. I'm not good at math, but I think.
Wow. Yeah. Quick long there, guys. Look at the bazooka up. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, he says.
What a crazy. All right. Well, if you missed a pump, you got to wait for a retracement now, because let me look at it. Right, you're so far from the ORB 786. You want some kind of retracement now to try to go higher, guys. And maybe was there news that came out? I feel like something had to come out here, chat, to kind of reverse the course of action.
Who knows? It's all fucking scam, man. U.S. producer prices jumped 1.1% in May on energy surge.
Yeah. All right, here's your new 5-minute candle. I mean, this thing is. We already tapped 29,000 plus, right? 29,016.75. So maybe some kind of pullback would be warranted here, Chad, and then we get continuation higher.
You think?
Right? I mean, it is a freaking 230, almost 30, yeah, 230 points off the ORB high. So pull back to 891-ish. I mean, we're gonna find out how deep the pullback is. I mean, you want to let it kind of build out. PW talks about that all the time, right? So if we're gonna go higher, you want this thing to retrace, build out some kind of bull flag, as an example, right? And then you get the continuation
Well, I mean,
to the upside.
the one thing you always got to be thinking about is like a really quick move up. Is normally you get a really quick move back down.
Yeah.
You know, it's like on this type of price action, yeah, it looks cool if you're long, but if you're buying 29,000, hoping that it goes to 30,000, it might have to go back to 28,700 first. You know, like.
Yep.
They say the market takes the elevators on the way, takes the stairs on the way up and the elevator on the way down. And we've seen that a lot of times where you get these big moves up and then this thing just retraces all the way back down really hard and really quick. So you want to be careful on those big pops. It's kind of like you want to wait for that next area where it starts to consolidate and build out the next kind of flag setup, right? I mean, that's kind of the theory to trading the flags. If you're looking to get long on a bull flag breakout, like, well, then you want to be patient and kind of wait for that flag to form. Right now, there's not really a flag up here. If you look at the 5-minute chart, I mean, this is just straight up fucking moon. And look, that's 100 points straight back down. So, like, trying to buy the dip, you know, don't always work. I think now if you're looking to get long, so you have 5-minute chart. We broke through the overnight high. We have the 15-minute range down there, obviously. So if we think about it like this, I go to the 2-minute chart. Well, there's not really a flag there. Nothing really to do. Go to the 1-minute. Not really a flag there either. So there's just not a good entry here to do anything. I think if you start looking at the 1-minute chart, this could be kind of building out a bear flag here now, right? And the fact that, like, this thing pulls back, starts to push back up, and then goes lower. So if you're trying to get long right here, this could be kind of the bear flag forming before rolling over. So to try to avoid that, the idea is that you kind of need to wait for these candles to break above that previous kind of drop candle high. But even then, you've only got about 30-40 points until the high of day.
Yeah, if you look at the 1-hour candle, guys, I mean, you got a long bottom wick, but you got that you got a longer top wick right now as well, right? But that was a double top, right? We kind of talked pre-market. You had a double top on the 1-hour chart, so there needs to be something explosive to kind of get us through that double top and be convincing and basically close above it. I mean, you're going into the 10 o'clock candle.
Kind of giving me. Oops, I was thinking that would be the short entry right there. The downside, 28,900 broke right there. Was thinking about trying to take a short. Still kind of thinking about it.
Your new 1-hour candle.
Could try to, like, take a short here. If we kind of reject that 940 area again, you got 30 seconds on that 1-minute candle. Yeah. See, now it can't really get short now, because now we just got back above these highs again. So you could if it's going to start percolating here. The fact that it broke to the downside and then popped right back up and then popped these highs is not good for the bears. Continuation to the upside here on this just insane move. All right, I'm going to try this long right here and see if we can't push through these highs again.
Yeah, I'm with you. Pop.
That's 20 points already.
Yeah.
We got a pivot point up at the 60s. The way this thing's moving, I'm going to go for a little bit more than 20 points. The bear flag got invalidated, so that kind of opens me up to the long idea. All right, nice little move here. That's 30 points so far. Nothing wrong with taking profit if you're in the green here on this trade. But if not, we can ride it to Valhalla.
Yeah, I think it's, yeah.
There we go, 920s, 930s
nice.
coming up. All right. Beautiful trade there.
Nice.
And again, just kind of walking you through why we were looking at that whole setup, right? It kind of had a bear flag forming. This would have been your kind of bear flag, the breakdown there, right? Once that kind of got invalidated in the sense that we popped right back up, that's not good for the bears. That's going to kind of tell me that the squeeze is still alive. It's not a beautiful bull flag, but the fact that we kind of broke, you can see this candle right here, broke through these two candle highs and then pretty much got right back up here. I got long once we broke above this candle. This would have been the flag pole, right? The flag looks like a pole, if that makes sense. Right? Every flag has a pole. And that pole is normally kind of like your entry, like the candle that breaks the previous structure, pushes back up, and then goes lower. The fact that this flag, basically this is your flag, this candle kind of broke, and then the next candle came back up and took out that pole, well, that's kind of telling you that there's still momentum there to go higher. And that's exactly why we grabbed that long where we did. And you can say it's gambling, you can say it's whatever you want, honestly. I don't give a fuck, because the money's in my bank account.
Yep.
You know, is what it is. So making money, doing it live. And that's the thing too, is especially when this market's moving so fast. You know, we talked about like looking at the 5-minute chart, like we really didn't have like a beautiful setup there, but the fact that the market is moving fast is telling me that like I can be a little bit more aggressive with my entries, because like it's moving, right? Where like if we're range bound and we're not moving and like the market's kind of just chopping, well then I'm like more, you know, I got to be more strict with my entries. Where if I look at this, I'm like, hey, you know, it ain't beautiful, but the fact that we basically pulled back, retested that 880, 890 level, which was that previous little high area, you can see we kind of retested it and then pushed. That was kind of like my spot to get long right there. And yeah, I know it's like funny because I was talking about shorts, but sometimes
you gotta be nimble when the momentum, because we're trading momentum, guys. So a lot of time, you know, the momentum can shift, right?
Especially on a 1-minute chart. But it's also, for me, if I'm looking, like I can look at a trade and be like, hey, this is setting up to be a short. Right? And then once it gets invalidated and once it, you know, traps the shorts, well then the long is just like even better setup, because the trade that we were looking at got invalidated. Right? I didn't take the trade. It got invalidated, and then that was the move up from there. So I'm thinking, hey, there's probably going to be a lot of people trapped short who try to short this bear flag.
This is still,
and this is what pops it higher.
Bullish, guys, because when you get a break above, when you get a bullish candle, you get a candle closure bearish, and then you get a bullish candle right after that, a lot of times you're going to continue higher. So I would say we can get back above 48. We're targeting 29,100. And keep in mind that 29,250 level is yesterday's daily candle level, chat, that could be in play here, right, to the upside. So just be mindful of that. That's yesterday's daily candle high, 29,250. So if we get a pop back above 29,050, looking for more continuation up, in my opinion.
Someone said, how many accounts did I blow before making 30,000? I only blew 500 accounts this morning, okay?
Oh, man.
Only 500, chat.
Here we go.
Relax.
You knew somebody was Always
They always got something to say.
Yeah, always.
Always got something to say, D-Money. They always got something to say. No, it's all good. They're watching me. I'm not watching them. Joke's on you, motherfucker.
Yeah, I think they try to pop these highs, guys. Let's see, right? If they have enough strength to kind of pop those highs, we're definitely gonna more than likely head a lot higher here. So you look at that previous candle closure on the 5-minute chart. That's bullish, not bearish. Trying to quick long here, guys.
Trying to quick
Entry
long
was from 29,003. Trying to see if we can get up to at least maybe 40 or higher. Up a few points there. Can they get momentum going here to the upside?
I'm trying to long with D-Money. If it don't work out, it's D-Money's fault.
Oh,
don't be mad at me, chat.
Oh man,
it was D-Money's idea.
They're not always gonna work.
No.
They're not always gonna work. That's just how it is, right? So
it's all D-Money's fault.
Right. You know, sometimes you get the drastic pullback, and
nah, D.
But I think
no backtrack it now, baby.
No,
you gotta
I'm not
live or die on the sword,
oh, yeah,
sir.
I'm riding with it.
Live or die on the sword.
The entry was
we're going to Valhalla.
29,053 guys, so I'm riding with it, trying to see if we can get a pop
I'm adding to it.
You're adding?
I'm added. It's either we win or we lose, baby. Let the haters hate. Play is gonna play. Right, Landon? Yes, sir. Landon knows.
It was right at 20 points, right? We got up to about 18, 19. Can they pop this high? Can they get back to at least 40, guys? That's the question, right? Kind of continue higher. I'm gonna find out.
Num, 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 num. Just holding on for now. Going into, well, it's brand new hourly candle now. So 29,000 area. Can we keep pushing? Maybe, maybe not.
Yeah, strong retracement here. So not looking great here, right? Wanted the momentum to kind of continue higher, guys. Maybe they want a deeper retracement before going higher. So
straight back down. I'm gonna add there.
15-minute candle. It is bullish. Got a long top wick here. 5 minutes left. Not looking too hot, to be honest, on the 5-minute chart.
D, if this don't work out, we're gonna have to sell the G-Wagon, my friend. G-Wagon's got to go.
Oh man.
This is our, I just put the entire G-Wagon budget on this trade, sir. The entire G-Wagon budget.
This thing is retracing now. Not looking good.
Chat, we're gonna have to. I need some help. We need donations.
Might want a deeper retrace.
We're gonna need donations. It's over. Damn, man.
Yeah, that was not.
G-Wagon's gone.
It's gone.
No more G-Wagon. We're never gonna recover from this. Damn it, D.
Yeah, just wanted a continuation. We didn't get it, chat, right? I mean, that's just what it is. The 5-minute candle, you had a nice bullish kind of closure. Actually, a bullish engulfing candle, right? And maybe they push it from here, right? Who knows? We'll see.
Thank God I didn't. Like, that wasn't my trade idea.
It happens, guys. You don't win them all.
Man.
So.
Oh, man.
You don't win them all.
Finally. At least it's not my fault. No one can say anything because it ain't me. It's him.
Yeah.
Damn it, DMoney.
Yeah.
Everyone always be like, DMoney's so much better than you, PW. Well, you see, people? See what happens? Y'all got in my head. I started listening to DMoney. All I did was lose.
Let's see out there, 14 EMA.
We'll try another long down here with a stop below this low,
I'm
this
like,
candle.
I know, I'm like tempted for that as well.
And see if that's gonna try to pop back up here a little bit. After running all that down there.
And then as well from 908. Let's see, get a pop here.
No bueno. No longs, only shorts. Sometimes good, sometimes bad.
Yeah, that 15
Stopped
minute
out
candle
there.
looks bad right now. I already swiped that previous candle's high. It looks bad. So we're not getting the momentum kind of building out, guys. Sometimes it's you try to chase you saw that crazy pump. You want the continuation. And you still got room to the ORB high, 786. So it's kind of bleed out can kind of continue. Maybe we kind of form out something there. I don't know.
It's all a fucking scam. That's why. AI. The AI, it's a scam.
Just lost a 5-minute EMA, 14 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Just hit the 50 EMA. You got a bullish EMA cross there, guys, but that 15 minutes not cooperating, right? It looks horrible. 15 minutes is, yeah, there's going to be, we might be headed back towards that ORB high, right? 786.
He's done. Put a fork in her. She's toast.
Let me see off the high.
Toasted.
How big of a retracement that was. Yeah, it's 218 points.
Toast. This shit's toast. Well, my Lucid accounts are looking real nice right now. We're up a little over 30,000 in the Lucid accounts. Gave back some profit in the Tradeify accounts, but the party continues here. NASDAQ just kind of pulling back down there, 855s now. Bulls are not stepping up. Let's see what happens here. Up or down, nobody knows. I think Take Profit Trader is back 40% off no activation fee. I think I'm gonna go grab a couple 150K accounts. Get a couple accounts real quick. Only $216 for the 150K account, no activation fee. That's a pretty flexy price right there to get funded. 28,800, straight back down here now. You gotta love it.
Here comes the RIB high.
Taking the stairs on the way up, the elevator on the way down, the market pulling. Give me a minute while I load up on some of these Take Profit Trader accounts.
All right, so let's see, 786.
We're gonna need a few probably. You know what I mean? We're gonna need a few. Wow, look at this thing. Just total reversal. You gotta love it. And I was getting worried about my short on the QQQ. Get out of here. Daddy ain't scared. It's funny because like the market keeps on, doing the stupid shit, but my short, it's like
it's
just like every day it's a little higher.
Yeah.
But like I haven't had like that big wash yet, where it's like
maybe tomorrow
it's going up, but like I need a good
SpaceX.
A good fucking close where we get a day where it's like the market actually closes at the fucking lows. We have not, like, the market has not closed like at the lows. These overnight pumps are just absolutely fucking retarded for no reason. They're just gonna pump it up. They're trying to, I it would make sense that they would try to not let it dump today before SpaceX. Before SpaceX. Got to keep the retail people thinking that the market only goes higher, It would be bad for business if nobody bought the SpaceX IPO tomorrow. The funny thing is, everyone's just gonna, anybody who buys in the morning and it goes up 10-20%, like they just gonna be dumping.
Yeah, they're gonna take it.
They're gonna be like, I'm up 20%, I'm out.
Because they're low key nervous.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because
everyone's
of the valuation.
shitting bricks.
Yeah, they're low key nervous.
Who the fuck wants to hold on to that thing over the weekend? I mean, it goes both ways too, shorts and longs. Like even the shorts, they'd have to be kind of silly to, if it goes up, to hold. So you never know. I've seen crazier things happen. Market's gonna go where it's gonna go, as I like to say. You know what I mean, D?
I mean, that's a fact. We don't control it, guys. So, there is a 282 point.
Wait, I thought you controlled this.
I know, right?
But you told me earlier that you know exactly where it's going to go at all times.
You got the algo.
DMoney algorithm coming soon. It's $42 a month, $42.69. $420.69 for the DMoney algo. A little afro pops up on your screen whenever there's a good trade set up.
You know what would be crazy if
had a Jerome indicator?
The Jerome indicator, yeah.
It just pops up on TradingView. Go short, brother. Come on, Jack. Get in.
Oh,
go, Jack. Get in, Jack. All right, I kind of like these shorts down here.
Yeah, it's like we
kind of blew through that 880 level, but now we're back down here at the VWAP. Nvidia looks weak. Everything looks weak. I'm gonna start trying to slowly. These are Take Profit Trader 150K evals, so I'm gonna just try to see if I can't. Well, I was gonna try to add into it if it popped up, but it went straight down, so we'll take it for now. Let's see if we get through the 750s. This is the kind of trade now where I would just be aiming for the low of day here. And as I say that, it pops straight back up. Perfect. Yeah, I'm okay adding if we kind of get back up 820, 830 area. $40% off. Take Profit Trader. No fee activation. That's a $200 150K account. I think the 50K accounts are like 60 or 70 bucks. Pretty fucking cheap. All right. So looking to add.
Got the RBI. Just bust through.
Looking to add up here at the 830, 840 level. Kind of get this flag to keep building out.
Yes.
I've got short right at support down there. Classic. Gotta love it sometimes. I'm gonna put it right there, 845. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Sometimes bad, then sometimes good. You never know. This is why I love the lockout feature from Trade-Evade.
Yeah.
You know, made 30,000 in the Trade-Evade accounts, and then hit the lockout. So now we can't do anything stupid. We're done. It's like, hey, even if I get FOMO,
yeah,
I can't do anything about it. Sucks. No FOMO, no money. More FOMO, more money. More less FOMO, more money. So shout out to Trade-Evade.
Somebody had a question about Lucid 50K flex accounts. How much should you aim for per day? I mean, that's a preference thing, guys. We can't really tell you. It's going to take you minimum 2 days to pass because of the consistency rule of 50% in evaluation. There is no consistency, however, in the funded stage. So that's totally up to you, right? I would say don't get caught up too much on a number, because a lot of times when you do that, you're more focused on the number, the P&L, versus taking good setups, right? That's just my advice.
5-minute candle all the way back up here. I want to see what happens at this 850 level. I was looking to add to the short here, but I moved my other sell up higher in case it pops higher first before going lower. But I can also play this kind of the same idea. If this is going to be a bear flag, right? Where do I want to add at? Well, I'd want to add like basically breaking back below this like 800 level again. So that's kind of the thought process here. Good thing these accounts are on sale right now, because I might need more. God. That's 100 points straight back up now. Beautiful trade there. Right off the opening range high like a fucking retard. Why did I short down there? But we'll just straight to the moon here. Straight to the fucking moon. You can't make this shit up if you tried sometimes. Yeah, this is gonna be a...
Yeah, this candle. Look at that. $28,900. What? How much you weigh? Oh, for the jet? Making sure you're not overweight. You got to pay extra on the PJ. Well, this is a terrible chat. Thought we might turn back down here, but did not turn back down. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. See if this 900 level is going to act as resistance here. We need something to happen, but now kind of a bull flag forming. If this starts to pop through these highs, expect more upside here. So, yeah, she's little mini bull flag now. All right, I'm out. I'm gonna try this quick long. We go full size quick long on these evals to see if it pops. Nope. Here it is. From 907.
Some of them. Oh, other ones got hit. Wow. Take profit trader evals gone just like that. One trade. Don't worry. We're cooked. Oh God. Why does it hurt so much, D? Why does it hurt?
A lot of volatility, guys. That's just what it is, right? So you had a 100-point plus move up on the previous 5-minute candle. A lot of volatility. So I think if we can hold that 14 EMA 856, we're headed back towards 29,000. So just kind of waiting to see how this plays. 15-minute candles bullish. Nice bottom wick. You swiped the previous candles low already. You swiped the ORB's low or high, sorry, and got right back up. So let's see how this plays out. What a crazy, like, yeah. This might be like this all day today, chat. Kind of going into the space.
Stop me out. Goes all, just fucking pulls back. Oh, you got. I mean, you gotta love it sometimes. It's comedy. All you can really do is just laugh. I think sometimes people get like caught up in like, but there's nothing to do other than just laugh at it. Like it's peak comedy. Just peak fucking comedy sometimes. Peak comedy, honestly.
We get back above 867, guys. I'm gonna try long, trying to ride it up to like 928.
How, like,
from 867, right? Let's see if it's able to basically take out the current candles.
I would have almost been back to break.
It's crazy, man.
God damn it! How does that happen?
Pull right back down. So
I suck. Don't worry though, everything's fine. We got more accounts. God. Put that on the tab for the day. 5 on the day, 200. That's $1,000. So there's another. We're up. We're 2,000 on evals now. Put it on the tab. I can't believe this shit. Look at that. All the way back down to where my original short entry was. Oh, man. You got to just laugh about it. Should we try short again? Yes. Short again. JK. Not again. Not again. Oh my lord. Absolutely cooked here. I used to have this rule where I wouldn't go short on stuff when we were above the VWAP. Clearly that would have been the rule today. Good rule for today. As I get older, I have less rules in life. Bad example. Bad example for everybody out there. I'm a bad mentor. I'm a bad teacher. Everything's just bad. Bad daddy house. 28,900. There's that pop straight back up again.
Yeah, so let's see.
Wow.
So remember the longs, guys, from 867. There's the pop, right? So you're kind of looking, kind of overtaking some of the, there it is, right? So you can kind of see how we're building out here. We had one candle that basically closed back above. It's a tricky day, chat. And what I mean by that is that the price action, the retracements are deep, right? Some of these candle ranges. I mean, we've had this the whole week. I mean, to be honest, right? We've had it basically the whole week at this point. You got 100+ point candle ranges. You look at the 1020 candle, it's literally 170 points right back up.
Looking for a breakthrough the 800s here. This is a lower high on the 5-minute chart in this
is.
area. So the question is now, do we start to move back down through 800s again here and start to work our way back to low of day one more time? One more time. Holding up right here. Break through 800. We should be good. Just need to get through this 830s now. See, it's kind of like bouncing around there. I expect if it breaks 830, we should go right to 800 here. Getting really tight again. I don't know. See, 830s. Never a good sign when it starts getting really tight, because that means there's something about to happen. And sometimes it's not good. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Come on, lose 830. Go right through 800 here. There we go. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Give me 790s for the first fill here. Break 800 here, chat. Oh, you son of a bitch. This market's such a bitch sometimes. Break it. Why does it do that? Why does it got to play with my heart like that?
I was waiting for you to. So I was waiting for you to. What's your? Oh, you got a TP at 800 or a 790?
790. But I mean, I've got. I want more.
You want more, yeah. That 15-minute candle though, previous candle is bullish, right? You got that long wick, and we kind of dug into it. So will they flush it?
You're not wrong, but maybe you're wrong.
Yeah.
Maybe the 50, I mean, it's just, who knows?
Yeah. I mean, you got all the way down to 750 for that bottom, you know, the previous 15-minute candle's wick. They could dig all the way down there.
God. Really? This will not go through there. I really hate this price action when it does this shit. If I get out right now, it's going to drop. If I don't get out, it's going to pop. So either way, I'm screwed. There it goes. Right back up again. I'm out. We'll try all in long here, and we'll watch it not work.
I think we're gonna go up here. So we dug into that bottom wick, so I think we're gonna test now 930 here, chat. Could be getting ready to try to test the 930s. That previous 15-minute candle, right? So it could take a while to kind of. You got 9 minutes left. But I think we held the 14 and 50 EMA. I think we try to go to 900 higher. Yep, there it is. There's the pop here, chat. Real quick long there for the pop. Kind of rode that up because I think that it's when you have those long bottom wicks, guys, a lot of times the momentum is kind of building to go higher, right? You kind of dug into that bottom wick and then you get the expansion. There it is. Here's 910. Yep, there it is. So nice trade there. Right to the 200 EMA. I think they try to pop that previous 15-minute candles high, guys. There it is. So 933. Right? So
gotta love it. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me right now. No fucking way. Instantly back down. What a stupid market. That was crazy. Just, it's fucked. My God. Wow. The fuck? Back down, back up, back down, back up. Going nowhere. Absolutely beautiful. All right, holding below 900 again. Just popped up there, came right back down. No bueno, no bueno. Back to 900 again.
yeah, the bulls. So like this 5-minute candle, chat, like the bulls need this probably more than likely to close bullish. Because if you kind of look at the price action, right, you had two bearish, you had a bullish candle that kind of popped those highs, all those highs. So if this 5-minute candle does not close bullish, that's not great for the bulls. You probably get more downside, right? But if it closes bullish and it holds that 14 and 50 EMA on the 5-minute chart, could get more upside here, kind of getting up towards trying to go up and challenge maybe 29,000 or higher, right? So the bulls definitely probably want this to close bullish. 15-minute candle, I mean, it's fighting a battle, but obviously you got a no candle body, right? It's pretty much non-existent. So that's kind of telling you that there's a battle going on. We're in a big old range, guys, right? If you kind of map out off the high that was put in earlier, right? You kind of map that out. We're just in a big old range from that 29,000 like 50 area down to 28,000 like 638. So
someone said 5-minute bear flag. No, it's definitely looking like a bear flag. I think he said bull flag. Yeah, no, it looks like a bear flag. Just needs to start to break these candle lows again. 830, 829 area. Should be good, but
This day is more sideways. Yeah, right now. Yeah, we're ranging, chat. That's just what it is. Because if you look at the price action from overnight, like that 4 o'clock time and all that, just draw it out from the high that we're put in here, 10 o'clock, draw it to the left. You can see we're just in a big old range. So you need obviously something to kind of get us out of it. The problem is, I mean, since it's a larger range, we could kind of, I hate to say that, but we could just kind of hang out in this range into that SpaceX IPO. I mean, is that the move? I don't know. I mean, it's almost 11 o'clock. We're going to find out.
They just need to get it back down. Back down, Lieutenant Dan.
But see, I think we slowly grind up to try to make an attempt to get back to 29,000, guys, because we've already had. You got to kind of treat it like a range, right? The bottom of the range was tested from 8:30. We had that at 9:40 this morning. You got like some kind of double bottom, and then now you got right. So we could be trying to head back towards the top of the range, because you've already had the test of the bottom of the range, if that makes any sense. So kind of slowly kind of grinding to the upside here.
Got a wick. A lot of wicks there. This 5-minute candle, not much of a wick yet. So got about 2 minutes left on there. We're going into 10:50, 11 o'clock, kind of new hourly candle, or this hourly candle will be closing.
Yeah.
Still a big doji there on the hourly candle. A lot of big wicks. That 9 o'clock candle was big wick. You had a big wick on the 8 o'clock candle. So you got 2 big wicks on the bottom of these candles. You got this big wick. But a lot of uncertainty here in the market. Once you start seeing, normally those big wicks are indication that there's some kind of trend change, or there's something coming. So here's this pullback again. I think there is a good short setup here. It's just the question of the risk to reward, right? Like through this 850 level, there's plenty of downside back to the lows down there, the 650s. So that might just be because I'm short the QQQ. That's the only problem with like having swing trades going on. Is like overall mentally, I want the market to go down, right? Like I'm like, because I'm making money when the market goes down. So I think when it comes to like my day trading starts to, maybe I start leaning too hard towards being short because
of that,
because of my short,
subconsciously too, right?
Yeah, well, I'm like it's hard for me to be like, oh, it's gonna go up to fucking 29,300.
Yeah.
When mentally I'm like, fuck, I need it to go down. Like I want it to go down.
Yeah.
And it's like, just because you want it to go down doesn't mean it's going to go down. So I think this is a bear flag, just getting ready to be a bigger move down here. There's that move again off the 900s. Probably should have taken that short there at 850s, but I was talking. We'll see if we get a little pushback up into that 850 area again and then try to short. I mean, obviously we're still above the range, the opening range. We're above the VWAP, but 5-minute candles are just looking tasty.
I mean, a 30-minute chart kind of backs up your thesis, right? If you look at the 30-minute chart, I mean, look at all the rejections. You got the long
my hypothesis.
Yeah.
My hypothesis.
Got a triple top basically on the 30-minute chart, guys.
Well, then if you look at the hourly candle too, like it would really make sense if they're gonna like dump it in the next 10 minutes. That candle's gonna have a big old red body to the downside.
Yeah. That 30-minute chart chat probably is a little cleaner, I think, kind of to see what's going on.
When you're talking about the 30-minute, here's the 30-minute chart right now. Yeah. This is, again, big wick, big wick.
So don't look at the wicks, guys. Just look at the bodies, right, of the candles. Like you can kind of see like a triple top up here, triple top that form, and you're getting like, right. So yeah, I mean that kind of backs up PW's thought process there.
We're below the previous body candle right now. That was a small little body, little bitty body. What do you think, Landon? Long or short? You have no clue? You better get a clue. Look, you want to see? There's some $200,000 Pokemon cards in there. I'll show you my $200,000 Pokemon card. It's gonna go.
Yeah, it's looking.
It's gonna go.
It's already break down and just small up and down. Yeah, I mean it's so what I'm saying, chat, is that on a 30-minute chart, to me it's a little cleaner to kind of see that the wicks, those upper, the top wicks that were put in on all those 30-minute candles, they're like, it's like it was an attempt to kind of go higher, it got rejected, right? So obviously for us to kind of continue to the upside, we need to get back above 29,050, right? Like for the move to kind of continue. So unless that happens, it's like I said, for me, it's just clear. You always got to try to find the cleanest kind of price action chart. And for me, that 30-minute kind of stands out. I mean, you could see it on the 1 hour as well, but you got longer wicks, right? They're kind of like both, so we'll see how this thing plays out. You get back inside of you get back below 786, chat, right? Which is the opening range breakout high. Then, I mean, clearly you would be probably more than likely targeting back towards the bottom of the ORB range. It's going to put you at 28,650. So, I mean, that's just what it is. But that triple top on a 30-minute chart, I mean, that's a little convincing here, guys, that could be getting the flush McGush kind of brewing. Support at 28,764. I mean, I would say probably lower than that, right? Because you got on the 30-minute chart, and there you go, right? There's 771.
Going down?
Yeah, it just lost the ORB high.
Oh, who would have thought?
Back inside of the.
I mean, that's
ORB.
The problem, right? Is like we kept trying to get those shorts and
but then right back up. Yeah.
Couldn't get the fucking dump. Bounce off the VWAP there again. I'm looking to add to this short, kind of like up into this push here.
Terrible price action. Yeah, it's not great. I mean, you had if you were fortunate enough to catch that crazy bounce to the upside, you're feeling pretty good, right? But a lot of WikiWik action, chat. A lot of WikiWik action. So today's definitely, I mean, look at it, it's nasty. So you can't beat yourself up too bad, Chad. If you're having a rough time, all you got to do is look at the chart, right? I mean, it's not easy. And what I mean by that is, even if you have the direction right,
it's just hard to weather the storm.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
Choppy seas.
Yeah.
Make a tough sailor. Because it's hard to have good risk to reward on these trades because all of a sudden you're risking 20, but now you get a boner candle for 100 points up or down.
Facts.
And mentally, what do? Right? Like, it's really difficult to like manage that emotion because it's so like all of a sudden you just get a 30-point pop when you were expecting only a 10-point pop or whatever it is. Like, it catches you off guard, and that's why you go on tilt, because you start to be like, well, fuck.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go long. I'll go short. And then it's just no matter what, you get fucked.
Yep.
So it's hard. I mean, that's why trading is so difficult, right? Because it has nothing to do with the fact that you can make money or not make money, or if you're an idiot or if you're a gambler. It's just trading will do everything it can to basically trick you into doing the wrong thing.
Facts.
Because it's so easy to see these big pops and be like, okay, I'm long.
Yeah.
Because like originally you can have a short thesis, and then you start watching the candles and you're like, oh, well, it's going to go back up.
Yeah.
It's going to go back up now. So then you start to like convince yourself that it's a long.
Yep.
Right? And it's like this constant just like back and forth with yourself. That's like the hardest part of being a day trader, is just like controlling that emotion where you constantly. Sometimes it works. I mean, sometimes you can do that where you just kind of jump into a long, jump into a short, vice versa. But
The best teacher is chart time and master price action. Yeah, we're not disagreeing with that, Alex. But Alexis, sorry. What we're literally saying is that on the daylight today,
I don't
it
think
is
he's saying
easy.
anything, but
It's easy to basically, even if you have the direction right, it's easy to get chopped up, guys, because the candle ranges, some of these ranges on the candles are huge. And that's what PW is saying as well, right? If you're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna give it a 20 point stop. Well, good luck with that, because all of a sudden you get a 100-point candle, you're done, right? You're gonna lose that trade, and you're gonna try to probably join the momentum, thinking that, okay, well, obviously the momentum is up, and then they flush it on you. And that's a mental game you have to kind of play. So that's all.
Slamming the fridge, fucking popping balls over there. God. Not like we're filming a TV show here or anything.
20-point stop is not cutting it in this stuff. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you got to be a little strategic, chat. The ranges are bigger. So I don't know if a 10 to 20-point stop is going to cut it right now.
NVIDIA's bleeding right now. I think this is going downtown, buddy.
Yeah.
Buddy boy. Where's call Jerome.
Call Jerome,
if he's
I know,
downtown, we're coming. Jerome, we coming downtown. He's probably still sleeping. He's got off that late night shift at Scarlett's. I heard he's been working the door at Scarlett's.
He's been working the door?
Yeah. He's calling me, said he gets me free entry. I'm like, I don't need you to give me free entry. Come on, man, I get you free entry. All you gotta do is you gotta buy a bottle.
Oh man.
He told me if I spend $1,000 to get free entry, and I said, well, that don't make no sense.
You know he getting a cut on that bottle.
Yeah,
you know
that motherfucker definitely. He probably don't even work there. There's probably free entry, but he's standing out front just taking people's money, saying, oh yeah, you go on in now. Get you the VIP room, sir. They go inside and say, hey, some guy named Jerome said I get VIP
like,
access.
Like,
who the fuck is Jerome?
That's so funny, man.
Fucking Jerome! All right, we're going into this hourly candle close, right? We got 7 minutes till the 11 o'clock candle opens up here. And I mean, we're just hanging on for dear life right now.
Yeah, it feels like by a thread, right?
By a thread, or Jerome would say by a needle. It's holding on by a needle right now. That's how tight it is. Holding on by a cornrow. J-roll.
Dump it already? Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's brewing, chat. I mean, you got to say it. I mean,
don't say that. God
know,
damn it. Now it's going to pop straight back up. It's all D-Money's fault. God damn it.
Well, remember we said
D-Money over here celebrating already.
You got to.
Like it. Looks like it. God, look at it. Now it's going to pop straight back up. D-Money said, yeah, it looks like it at 740 now. And now it's back up 20 points. God damn it, D-Money.
They said you'll scare it. Yeah?
Yeah, you scared it. Look at it. It's already back up 40 points. God damn it. Hey, we're going for a 100-point banger here, chat. Okay? Okay? You know, don't judge me by my losses. Judge me by my winners. Okay? Okay? Don't judge me by how much I lose, but judge me by how much I win. No! Hey, there we go. 100 points.
100 points.
So again, just kind of going back here, we're still short, but looking here at the hourly chart now, look at how different this looks, right? Everybody was excited because that hourly candle was looking like a doji and had potential, but look how it's now just kind of reaching out and heading on down. This market is fucked, I'm telling you. Don't let anybody tell you any different. AI is bullshit. Ain't nobody need no AI. Only people that want AI are the fucking rich billionaires who just want you guys to buy into their bullshit. Who do you think? You think Jeff Bezos is sitting there talking to fucking AI? No.
No, you already know.
You know, like it's like that's what's so funny about it. These
crazy,
fucking
man.
rich elites are like talking about how we need AI to make the world better.
But they're not.
But they ain't using AI.
Nah.
Fucking, I saw Ben Stiller, this motherfucker. You know, he's at the New York, the Jets game, right?
The games,
right?
Yeah.
And he made a whole thing about how New York City needs to do something about the homeless people to help them. Well, guess what? There's a video of Ben Stiller walking to the game the other day, and there's a homeless guy laying on the ground, fucking just passed out. What's Ben Stiller do? Walks right over him. Walks right over him. Oh, I thought we need to do something, Ben Stiller. You don't want to get your little fucking
you want to get his hands dirty,
do you?
Yeah.
But you want to tell me that I need to. Ben Stiller, he'll just walk over a homeless person, but he'll tell DMoney that he got to help him.
Yeah.
That's some hypocrisy.
Nah, man.
You got Billie Eilish sitting around talking about how we live on stolen land, and she's got a fucking $10 million penthouse mansion on the beach in Malibu. It's just like, who are you talking to?
Yeah, no, it's
the
facts.
rich people of the world are trying to convince everybody that socialism's the better option. You got Mark Rufio talking about how, oh, we shouldn't have all these rich people. Motherfuckers work $90 million.
Facts.
It's easy to talk about, you know, we should have more this, we should pay more taxes when you got 90 million. These they're all so full of shit. Virtue signaling motherfuckers. That's what they are. It's all it is. It's a bunch of fucking virtue signaling fucking idiots who are sitting around telling us how we got to live our life. They'd be like, D-Money, you got to pay more in taxes to help people. You'd be like, oh, well, what about my daughter?
Yeah.
You know, I got to pay for my daughter. But they'd be like, yeah, but you don't need that much.
Man, it's always crazy. Chad, I mean, hey, if you don't agree, if you don't realize that PW spitting facts right now, guys, something's wrong. Because he's literally spitting facts right now.
I mean, it's not even about spitting facts. It's just like, I love how a bunch of fucking celebrities sit around talking about what the world needs to do.
But they're network,
But they never ever worked a hard day in their life.
Yeah. It's like
they're talking about how, Amazon needs to do this or that, whatever. Like talking about big corporations. But it's like, what the fuck do you know about working at Amazon?
Yeah, Amazon is no joke, chat. Remember, I worked there as an ops manager. Listen, if you don't meet the productivity as a what, it doesn't matter what position you're in, right? If you're boxing up stuff, if you're right, it doesn't matter, right? Chat,
we're bleeding, baby.
Yeah.
I told you those lows were going.
Yeah, she gone.
Come on.
Below or below.
Y'all want 200 points? Hey, do y'all want 200 points or what, bitches? That's 200 points, by the way. Y'all want 200 points? Is that what you want? Live on YouTube? Yeah, I'll give you 200 points. Hit that fucking like button. Shut up. People are always like, man, Patrick's so mean to the followers. Shut up, bitch! Don't you ever talk to me.
So the Amazon chat, if you don't meet productivity inside of the fulfillment centers, there is literally there's a performance coaching that drafts out automatically. Like the manager doesn't have to do anything. It's gonna literally draft out. Your manager's gonna come in the next day. He's gonna have an email with the attachment, and they're gonna pull you in.
Gone.
That's just what it is. You get that a couple times, and you're gone.
Well, we have that at the BDH too. So you better be on it.
It was like, hey, I was like, I say all that to say this.
D-Money's like,
the G-Wagon.
D-Money's like, yeah, it's really good how I'm like, exactly, D-Money. So your performance is, if D-Money don't get 1 million views, he gone. What do you think, chat? Should we keep D-Money on the performance chart? We should have a performance review live on YouTube for the D-Money performance. We'll let the chat decide. We'll do a poll on the chat here in a second once I close out this trade for 200 points. But Patrick, you never make any money. You're right. I never do nothing. There we go. 200 points. Go ahead and just fucking bow down, peasants. Bow down. Bow down, peasants. I got Pokemon cards. What do you got? Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Corn Dog Mario said, D-Money performance is terrible. He times me out for hitting on him.
Oh, shit. Oh, hey, I'll never time you out, Corn Dog. I love you. All right, let's do this. D-Money performance chart evaluation. This is for the month of May. He gets he loses his benefits. The G-Wagon's going to Landon. Landon, he's turning 14.
Yeah,
right. He's gonna need a car to drive to school.
That's permit time. Yeah, he's
so
getting the permit
I'm just
time.
saying, D-Money.
Oh man,
Landon said he can do your job.
Well, chat, I did not drive the G-Wagon today, so PW's going to have to repossess it from the apartment building. You, like, go outside and the G-Wagon's gone. There's like diapers or something on the floor, guys, right? They took it out. Like, oh, yeah, any diapers or any kind of baby residue in there, throw it out.
Yeah, no, what? You put a baby in the G-Wagon? No. The rule was no babies. The rental says no babies allowed in the G-Wagon, sir. All right, we got a poll in the chat. What do you think? We keeping D-Money satisfactory or unsatisfactory? Guys, this is a real life discussion here. You guys are going to decide the fate of this man's life. Wow. 81% satisfactory. Fuck. I thought it was going to be like a 60-40, you know?
Oh, man.
Man, if I did that, it would be 20% unsatisfactory, 80%.
I gotta
D-Money, I think you paying people.
I gotta beat a sweat coming down, Chad.
D-Money's paying people.
So I gotta beat a sweat coming down. It's uncontrollable. So
this is fucked up. 83% satisfactory. That ain't even believable. How many people you paying right now to vote on this?
I don't have
Let me see your phone. Put your phone up. Put your phone up. This something ain't right, Chad.
I don't have anything.
He got the Chinese people voting for him.
Oh man.
85% satisfactory. That is some real bullshit. God.
Hey, chat. I love you.
Man.
I love you.
That's messed up. All right, well, NASDAQ making new lows. It's, like, I don't want to say that we said, but that 5-minute bear flag, it went. It wasn't easy getting into it. Yeah, all the way down. That's over 200 points, by the way, for the short that we took on that bear flag from the 830 area. Just saying. The Pentagon has been locked down. Hazmat teams are responding.
Come on.
CNN just said.
What?
Uh-oh.
What happened?
Is that why the market's pulling back? PW performance review? God, I don't know if I want to do this. I don't trust you fuckers. It's not going to be good. What do you think, Landon? What do I get for my performance review? You think I'll do better than D-Money? Probably not. It's rigged. He's got Chinese people voting for him. Even Landon knows. He goes, yeah, I think so. Landon knows about the Chinese the bots.
Well, I mean, we got to start by saying PW just gave you a 200+ point trade, chat. You got to be honest. So,
yeah, exactly. I mean, honesty, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. All right, we got the poll. Satisfactory or unsatisfactory PW performance. Oh man, the numbers are already bad. Oh my God. Look at this.
You know they're doing it on purpose, right? They're gonna do it on purpose.
I'm turning this off. Wow. 55%. I'm polling like Trump over here. I got the Trump poll going on. All right, this shit's rigged. This shit's rigged.
They said to do a mail-in vote.
Mail-in vote. Y'all fucked up. Well, I guess D-Money, you're gonna go on vacation for a couple months.
Thanks, chat.
I'm just gonna turn the stream off.
Thanks, chat.
Thanks, chat. D-Money got a vacation for a couple months. Hey, it's all good. It's all good. Yep. Y'all think y'all love. They all be like, we love D-Money. I'm like, okay, well, you're gonna love him so much, I'm gonna put him on vacation. You're gonna be sitting on the beach, not working for the next couple months because y'all fucking with me.
I'm gonna come back purple, guys, because of the suntan.
Oh man, look at this. 54% voted satisfactory. 46% voted unsatisfactory.
Yeah, they're trolling.
This is fucked up.
They're trolling.
Guys, you all know that, like, I put my heart and soul into this. Man. No love anymore from the chat. No giveaways today, that's for sure. Denny, no giveaways at Denny. Fuck the chat. They just screwed themselves for a long time.
They literally said it right there, we just trolling you.
Nope, you ain't getting nothing. No more giveaways.
So
nothing.
The funny thing is, chat, we already know that you guys are gonna try to troll him because you want to get PW fired up, because that's when the show gets good, because you don't know what he's gonna say.
My ego can't handle it. D-Money, it's been good. Gotta let you go, my friend.
Like,
I can't have you polling higher than me.
Oh man,
that'd be like Trump. That'd be like if fucking JD Vance was polling better than Trump. You think Trump will let Vance stay around? No. You got to get him gone.
Chat.
It's not personal. It's just the poll.
Yeah.
You know, it's just the poll, man.
Oh man.
Gotta go. Gotta go. Real fucked up situation around here. It's embarrassing. I got my son here as well. Even my son's like, damn, Dad. You gonna let D-Money do that to you? I'm like, fuck. My short is only up $36,000 a day. I'm down on my luck today, chat. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Gonna have to, Landon, we're gonna have to sell Pokemon cards, my friend. So full transparency, my short on the QQQ is only up 36,000 today. But don't worry, we're gonna get it back. We're gonna get it back. This fucker's gonna bleed. Yeah. Tomorrow morning,
What time is that?
We got, they say it open possibly, but I doubt it. It'll be, I think it'll be probably after.
That'll be like crazy, right?
Yeah, well, no, I think they'll probably hold it till after open. The IPOs don't open right at the bell, but we'll see. Law number 2, never outshine the master. That's the truth. The masturbator. Don't do it. All right, well, we got a 100-point pop right back up. You gotta love it. Yeah, IPO's at 11, about 11 o'clock. Yeah. What did Landon vote? Landon voted unsatisfactory as well. He's my biggest hater. He don't even tell people that I'm a YouTuber. That's how embarrassed he is. When people ask him what his dad does for a living, he says, "Oh, he stocks." I'm like, damn, stocks? Like the most boring possible job in the world. What's your dad do for a living? Stocks.
Stocks.
Damn. You can tell him I'm a Baja racer. Tell him I'm a fisherman. Baja racer, big wave surfer, internet personality. Yeah. Yeah, see? All right, well, NASDAQ back up here to the VWAP for now. Landon, come up. D, give Landon a second.
Yeah.
We will interview with Landon here, see what's going on. We got a young soul here, chat. Be nice. No inappropriateness. Landon's turning 14 this summer. Look at him. He's growing. I think you grew a little bit.
Yeah, a bit.
You got to go a little closer to the mic and pull it down there. There you go.
Yeah.
So you grew a little bit. You excited for 9th grade?
Yeah.
What are you going to do?
Fish.
Pokemon? You guys still play with Pokemon in school or no?
No.
No one's got Pokemon?
Not in school, no.
Really?
They don't do that, really.
What do you guys do now? TikTok?
Nah. I don't know.
You guys don't have no Pokemon? No Digimon? Nothing?
Nah. No, like, cards.
No cards?
No cards.
So so you're telling me that only I have, like, my 14-year-old don't got no Pokemon cards, but I got Pokemon cards. There's something wrong here. Something wrong here. All right, well, what else you got going on? What's the cool thing right now? Other than Birkenstocks. Are Birkenstocks still cool?
No, not really.
Not really?
Not really.
You're over Birkenstocks now.
The cool thing and like what? Like, what do you mean? The clothes?
Like the shoes.
Shoes?
Remember that you made me buy you Birkenstocks and I said they were gay and you were like, no, they're cool.
Shoes.
You got, what's the cool shoe right now?
The Birkenstocks are probably still popular.
Birkenstocks still popular? I can't believe Birkenstocks are popular. That's hard to believe. Are you sure they're popular? Did somebody tell you they're popular? How do you find out something's popular?
If you go to school and you go anywhere, you'll see everyone wearing them.
Okay. All right.
Everyone has them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You wear your Warbucks hoodie to school?
Sometimes. I've worn it before.
Anybody ask what Warbucks is?
No.
No?
No.
Man. the Warbucks. All right. What do you get to play with your phone during class? What's the rule on phones in school? Because when I was in school, we didn't have phones.
They're pretty strict on them. Like, you can't have them. They get mad if they're in your pocket.
Do you use the AI for testing and stuff?
No, you can't. They have like
AI.
They have like lockdown browsers that like prevents you from doing any of that.
Lockdown browsers?
Yeah. So you're like
in
locked
jail.
in on the test. Yeah.
Oh man. All right. What about Like, what do you think? Would you use the AI for writing like a book report?
No.
You probably get caught because they would test the
Yeah,
AI.
not fully, but like it's good if you want to like find like sources or stuff for the assignment.
Okay.
It's better than just using it for the whole thing though.
But do you guys use do you guys have any like specific AI for school? Do they like give you an AI?
No, but some teachers actually encourage you to do it to find like.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna call your teacher and say, hey, my son is not allowed to use AI. Don't try to taint my son. That AI is a devil. That devil is the AI. All right. Well, you got the AI going on. And you've been playing golf lately, you said,
Yeah, I have.
How's that looking?
Good.
Yeah, you hitting them straight
Yeah,
and long, far?
can do that.
What's your best? What's been your best result so far?
It's like score on
Yeah.
18.
18?
18
18 over?
No. On
18 under?
On 18 holes. On 18 holes, I think an 89 or maybe 88.
I don't know nothing about golf, but I know that I was born in '88, so that's a good number. You got some 8s in your birthday too. You got 2 8s in your birthday, right?
No.
Yeah. August.
1 8.
Only 1 8? Oh, yeah. I don't know your birthday. Sorry. But don't worry. Just tell people that your dad's got a lot of 8s, because in China, 8 means money, and I got the most 8s possible. There's no more 8s you could have. 8, a lot of 8s in there. 1988. PW sounds like his grandpa. God damn, grandpa. You got a girlfriend yet? No girlfriend? That's good. The girls are bad. Stay away from them. Wait till you get older. All right. What are you looking forward to most in high school? Having your own locker? Do you have lockers in middle school?
No, only for like PE.
You have a locker in high school now.
Yeah.
What you gonna put in there?
I don't know.
Got like a photo you gonna put on the wall?
No.
Put a photo of me. Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe.
Are you excited for Mexico?
Yeah.
You got a passport now.
I'm really excited.
You're a big timer.
Yeah.
We got gonna go on the helicopter, go to Mexico, go to Hawaii, go to Costa Rica fishing hopefully.
Yeah.
Go do some desert stuff. Fly around in the helicopter. You ever been to Vegas?
No.
You never been to Vegas?
No.
Oh, we're gonna go to Vegas. Kid's gonna be living the dream, playing blackjack in Vegas. So,
Yeah.
what a time to be alive. What do you think? Up or down from here?
Let me look at it.
Look at it. PW, can your son drive the truck? Oh yeah, he's gonna drive the truck. We're gonna put some extra pedals in there for him. Guys, by the way, I'm kidding. I know about these questions. It's a joke. The chat thinks that I don't know you. They're like, he doesn't know him. It's like an interview question. I can't, like just try to get some questions out. I know what his middle name is. Yeah. Is D-Money gone? Yeah, D-Money's out of here. People gotta, what do you think? We gotta keep D-Money around or what? We got a new guy coming in, Denny.
Yeah.
He's bald-headed. He does dances on TikTok. You think that's gay if he does dances on TikTok? A little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Would you make fun of Denny if he was dancing in here? Like doing little TikTok dances?
Maybe.
You ever making TikTok dances?
No.
No?
Never.
Whatever happened to your bike that you crashed?
It's fine.
You got it fixed?
Yeah, it's good.
How did you break the frame?
It's a weak frame. Like
It's a weak frame?
Yeah, I mean, I can show you like, they're just bad frames. They crack easily.
They crack easily.
They do.
I never had one crack.
No,
What did you do? Like, what did you run into?
Just
A pole?
no.
A light pole?
No.
Well, you crashed somehow.
Yeah.
What did you crash on? You don't know? Need a BMX bike from the 80s, they said. Carbon fiber frame. Buy him a good bike. I bought him a good bike. I bought you a badass bike. How badass was that mountain bike that I bought?
That was cool, yeah.
That was like what, a $3,000 bike?
No, it was like $1,000.
No, it was not.
It was.
It was, dude. I bought it. It was like 1,800 bucks.
No, it wasn't.
I think it was.
It
What was the name of it?
$1,300.
What?
It was a specialized rock hopper.
Specialized rock hopper.
It was $1,300. I know it was.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
It was.
All I know is it was a lot more than the bike that I had when I was a kid. What happened to that bike? Some crackhead stole it. You ever see the crackhead again? You never saw him again? You gotta watch out for them crackheads, man. They love bikes. They'll steal them bikes real quick. Well, NASDAQ still pushing higher here. Still pushing back up. You gotta love it. This shit will not stay down. Trying to make a little bit of money over here. Can't do it. PW, you can't complain about an $800 water bill if you're buying $3,000 bikes. Well, you know, I can. Jerome definitely stole Landon's bike, 100%. 100%. Stole it. Yeah, but then you got the bike that you wanted, so it all worked out.
Yeah.
That one's $2,500.
$3,500.
$3,500.
Yeah.
You little shithead! This kid making fun of me for not buying him a $3,000 mountain bike, but then I buy him a $3,000 electric bike. God, come on. Insurance fraud, was that what it was? They said the chat said you did insurance fraud, that you were trying to, you got the bike stolen, but then you got paid for it. What were you buying with that money, man?
I didn't.
What's a day? What's a normal day to day when you're like driving around? What do you hit up? What's your spot? You go to 7-Eleven.
Yeah, 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. What do you get at 7-Eleven?
Like a donut and
Donut?
a Slurpee.
Oh, Slurpee and a donut, same time.
Yeah.
Extra sugar.
Yeah.
This is at like 8 o'clock in the morning.
No. This is like whenever, all through the
All
day.
day. Donut and Slurpee.
Like after school.
After school, donut and Slurpee.
Yeah. Or
You should get like maybe some more candy. Put the candy in the Slurpee.
no.
Extra sugar. You gotta love it. What's your favorite food right now? If you had to eat anything for the rest of your life, what do you eat?
Chipotle.
Chipotle.
Yeah.
Man, I remember when you were a little baby, you used to just eat the rice. Just be sitting there eating with your hands, just a big old thing of rice, and then you'd be rubbing your hands all over the table. People be worried about getting germs. I said, no, he's okay. Look at you now. You turned out great.
Yeah.
No problems.
Yeah.
See? People, they also worried. You fell on your head a few times, no problem. Look at him. He looks great. No issues. Do you lock up your bike when you go into 7-Eleven?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I doubt it.
I do.
You do? For sure? What do you lock it to? You know you got to
The
lock
bike-
it to something.
The bike rack.
The bike rack? Some guy in the chat said he's 53 years old and he also eats Slurpees and donuts for breakfast. I like it. You gotta lock it up because of Jerome. His head is not as big as yours. No, it's pretty big. It just looks small with the hat on.
Yeah.
You got a bigger head, right?
It's not.
Is it bigger than it's? Tell me it's. I know it's bigger than your friends' heads.
No, not really.
No?
Not really.
Like, so you what size helmet are you?
Just
Medium? I was
Yeah,
always extra
medium.
large. Always big
Medium.
head. We got to get you a new helmet. Someone said their 14-year-old is addicted to Dr. Pepper. You like Dr. Pepper?
no, it's gross. I don't
It's
like Dr.
gross?
Pepper.
What's your favorite soda? Coca-Cola?
Coca-Cola's
Cherry
good.
Coke's pretty good.
I like cherry Coke.
Cherry Coke.
I like Mountain Dew.
Yeah, have you had Baja Blast?
Yeah,
Baja Blast is
yeah.
good. Or the Cherry Pepsi. Cherry Pepsi
Yeah,
tastes better than Cherry Coke.
Pepsis, yeah.
Taco Bell?
Yeah, I like Taco
You
Bell.
like Taco Bell? What's your
Yeah.
Taco Bell order look like?
Like I get the box that has a lot of stuff in it.
Ooh, man.
Then you gotta get a frozen Baja Blast. Those are
Baja,
good.
frozen Baja Blast.
Yeah.
Well, it's funny, in Mexico they have Taco Bell, but the Mexicans, they actually like it, but the American don't like it. So we're just out here, we're living. Market is just kind of grinding back up again. You gotta love it. Look at that. 28,850 now, still going higher. Oh, why? Why? What a painful move today. Mr. Pibb never got his degree. That's why Dr. Peppa is better. Damn, I never thought about that. You think about that?
No, never think
Mr.
about
Pibb
that.
versus Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper went to school. Mr. Pibb didn't.
I didn't know that.
You didn't know that?
Didn't know that.
What do you think about college? Where are you going to go to college at?
I don't know.
Are you going to go to college?
Yeah, probably.
You are?
Yeah.
Well, you better get a freaking degree. What do you call it? A scholarship, because I ain't paying for it. You paying for it?
Okay.
Yeah. Where would be your dream school?
No dream school.
No
Like,
dream school?
Any school with like good sports and stuff like that.
What?
Yeah.
When did this happen? You never wanted to go to college before. He's growing up, kids.
Well, I mean, I might as well go to college.
Oh, what do you mean you might as well? You just come work for me.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll fire D-Money and put you in full time.
Okay.
But you got to fire him though.
Okay.
Sorry. And remember though, he's got a daughter, so if you fire him, you know that's just part of life. Sometimes you gotta make hard decisions. Life is all about making hard decisions sometimes. Decisions that you don't want to make. Like my daddy used to tell me, he'd say that you got to do things that you don't want to do so that you can keep on doing things that you want to do. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
right? You got to do the hard stuff so that you can do the fun stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Remember like we talked about when we were in Hawaii when you were fighting that fish?
Yeah.
And I said, don't stop. That fish is life, man. That's life right there. That fish that you're fighting, that big old marlin, it ain't ever going to be easy. Life ain't ever going to be easy. And trust me, it just gets harder the older you get. I'm 37 now, and it ain't gotten no easier. But I'm blessed and lucky to have a beautiful little baby boy like you, my friend. So,
Yeah.
you becoming a little man now. You're growing. You're definitely growing. I can see how you're sitting taller in that chair now.
Am I?
I think so. I hope so. Because if you're going to be that short the rest of your life, you're screwed. I hope you're going to grow a little bit.
That would not be
Don't
good.
worry, though. There's surgeries for that now. We get your legs extended. Get you some high heel boots. The high heel boots.
No.
No? Come on.
No.
D-Money's got these shoes for dunking. You seen those? They help
No.
you dunk. Yeah, they got like the bouncers in them.
Do they?
You probably borrow those from D-Money. You any good at playing basketball?
I'm actually decent.
You think you can beat D-Money in a game of horse?
Yeah, 100%. We should do it.
100% you can beat
100%.
D-Money in a game of horse?
Yeah.
All right, $1,000 on Landon. I got $1,000 on Landon to beat D-Money in a game of horse.
Yeah.
Just popped up. This morning, the CME exchange had 2 instances where a 5-second velocity lock happened. Yeah, I think, remember we were watching the market this morning and it kept getting stuck. And it must have been the velocity lock. Man, everyone in the chat thinks that Landon's going to beat D-Money in horse. Uh-oh. That's going to be rough. Imagine people thinking that a 14-year-old would beat you. They wouldn't think he beat me. Ain't no way you can beat me in nothing, son. Maybe Fortnite.
Yeah.
Ping pong definitely beat you.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, it wouldn't be a probably, sir. It'd be a guaranteed. I ain't gonna take it easy on you either. I'm gonna slap you. Slap.
Okay. Okay.
I think Landon to go play pickleball. We're like at the pickleball court, and he kept hitting the ball high, and I kept just slamming it down, and people all around us are looking. Me just spiking the ball on him over and over. I said, hey, if you don't want that to happen, don't hit the ball high, and it won't happen. That's life. You know, don't hit the ball high if you don't want that to happen. Well, it is now 11:25. The market is basically just ranging back up here now. Seeing what happens. D-Money has no choice. If he wins, he is fired. Well, you know, hey, sucks to suck, as I like to say. Yeah, Denny and Landon are about the same size. That's for sure. Same height. If you were gonna live stream, what would the live stream show be called?
I don't know. The live stream show?
Well, sir, I before you were born, I had a great idea, right?
Yeah.
To call you the Law,
Well,
right? I told your mom, I was like, hey, he's got to have a cool name, and Landon Andrew Wieland, that'll be the Law for initials. So
Yeah.
I'm just saying, your show could be the Law.
Yeah. Just
Live day trading with the Law.
That would work.
Could be a thing.
Yeah.
Could be a thing. Landon is a move demon in Fortnite. You got the moves in Fortnite? What's a move demon? Is that a thing?
I've never heard of that.
Never heard of that?
No.
That's not a word? Move demon. Yeah, see, that was I had good vision. I was like, man, we got whatever my son is, he needs to have a name that can be something, a name.
Yeah.
And now he's the law forever. You get your pro model shoe, the law. Pro model golf club, the law. Pro model everything, the law. We go to Nike, get you the law shoe.
The law.
One day these will be yours. Not now, but one day.
Okay.
One day.
One day.
Don't even look at them. Don't touch them. Don't even smell them. Stay away from my shoes, boy. Right now the Nasdaq still just pushing back up here. Nvidia, it's all just, it ain't looking good, that's for sure. Oh, it said that you can move really fast in Fortnite.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Is Fortnite like still the hot game, or what's the hot game right now?
I don't play Fortnite much anymore, and I don't think it's doing very well. Like
No?
player-wise, I don't think.
What do
many
all your
people are
friends
playing
play?
it. A lot of people are playing. There's not really anything people are playing now. I don't know. Let me think.
They're not playing nothing?
No,
Everyone's
like,
over the games.
Yeah, honestly.
They're just playing with AI.
Yeah, I mean. Wait, no. No, I didn't mean.
Wait, hold on. Roblox.
No.
No?
I mean, I don't know.
Minecraft.
Yeah, a bit.
Yeah?
A bit.
You play Minecraft again?
Sometimes.
Sometimes?
I've been playing Valorant again.
Valorant?
Yeah.
If you had to play one game for the rest of your life, what game would it be?
Probably Valorant. Valorant's fun.
Yeah?
I like it. It's good.
I like it. I remember when I was your age, I was playing World of Warcraft. World of Warcraft. The good old days. What was the other game that everyone played? It was like the original Minecraft. It was, what was the name of the game before World of Warcraft? Where like, not Diablo, RuneScape. Yeah, RuneScape. I played RuneScape for a while. That was crazy looks. The original RuneScape, man. It was so ghetto back in the day. But now they've got, like, I guess, the new versions and stuff coming out. I'm trying to see, like, an old video of RuneScape.
Today is actually going to be a
I
day.
think this is, like, not even, like, the original either.
The viewers decided to gather over from 11. Okay.
Yeah, I remember playing this freaking
I need
stupid
7 more-
game.
Major, you're gonna want to keep 2 sips for
So
that.
this could be safe spotted by this, right?
Yep, so you're safe there.
Oh my
Yes, when they didn't get to spec.
Dami, I'm rapping, I'm going. I'm gonna call you Wami with a big.
RuneScape. People were selling these accounts too. They were selling RuneScape accounts. World of Warcraft. I used to sell World of Warcraft gold.
Yeah.
People used to pay money for gold.
They still do that for like all
Yeah.
the games now, the accounts.
Play StarCraft. Played StarCraft, Diablo, and World of Warcraft. And Warcraft, like the original strategy game too. So a lot of Blizzard games back in the day. My mom used to always yell at me and say, "Go to bed! Get off that computer!" I said, "I ain't going to bed." I would stay up all night long playing freaking video games. Then your grandpa would yell at me. Or then sometimes Nana would turn on the phone or answer or like pick up the phone and it would kick me off the internet. Nana, get off the fucking phone! I was so mad. It would freeze my game. I'd be right in the middle of killing a boss and then Nana be in there fucking 4 a.m. on the phone. I'm like, what are you doing? Be so mad. Like, get out of here. And then that was back in the day we had dial-up. So when you had to dial the internet because it used the phone lines.
Yeah.
And then like you'd hear the like that noise.
Yeah.
And then Andy, your grandpa, would always yell at me because you'd hear it. Go to bed. You know, I mean, this is it right here. Good old days. Every day, turn the internet on, this is what it sounds like. It's so crazy. That was the sound. Every fucking day, turning on the internet, your grandpa yelling, because you could hear it across the house.
Yeah.
You got it too easy now, my friend. Got it too easy. Landon's got it too easy. Don't have to deal with none of that. Don't gotta deal with none of that bullshit. Sounds like Alien. You got mail. Yeah, that was a good one. Or especially if you had if you got a message from your girlfriend.
Yeah.
Because we had instant messenger back in the day, AOL instant messenger, so you'd put like an away message. So every time you went and did something, you put like, I'm away. And you say,
Yeah.
I'm at the park. I'm riding my bike. I'm at the beach. I'm outside. I'm sleeping. And everyone would know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Yep. But then sometimes, like, if you had a girlfriend and she didn't message you while she was on instant messenger, well, then it was drama because you're like, well, why did you not message me? And then we had top 5 friends. Top 5 friends on MySpace. That was awkward. Because then it was, like, weird. Because, like, you know, what if you had 6 friends? What do you do? How do you choose, you know? How do you choose? Do you know how you would choose? If you could only pick top 5 friends and you had 6 friends that you were friends with, what do you do? Which friend do you leave out? Like, how do you decide if they're all the same?
The one you like the least? I don't know.
What?
The one you like the least.
The one you like the least, it's all?
Yeah.
But what if you like them all the same? How do you decide? You just say, hey, man, sorry, you're not that cool. Because then they're not going to be, they're going to hate you. And what do you do if you're on his friends' top 5? You know what I mean?
Then you have to.
No, but
put
then
him
you
on
have to. But then
yours.
what if the other ones all have you on there too? So it gets weird. It's a lot of drama.
Yeah.
I remember going to school and people being like, you knew that something was wrong. Because you're like, hey, why is that guy not talking to me? And then they'd be like, you took me off your top 5. I'm like, oh, man. Man. There you go. Yeah, Mr. Dustin said that's true. Back in the day, you'd see somebody online, but they didn't message you. I do the same thing now. Whenever I see DMoney on the internet, I'm like, hey, you didn't even say good morning to me. Didn't even say good morning to me. Remembering those days. What's crazy to think about is Landon has only ever known iPhones.
Yeah.
You've never known. I grew up with that. We didn't have any phones, no iPads. I remember you had to get the AOL CD in the mail, so you could put internet on your computer. That's crazy. What a crazy world to wait for a CD in the mail to put internet on your computer. Yeah, my grandma had a rotary dial. She did. It got changed to top 8. No, yeah, they had like top 8, top 10. Playing Snake. Yeah, that was a good one. My dad had like Snake. You ever played Snake on like the phone? Like an old game where like you can't like eat yourself like your
And you gotta
like
eat
your
the
tail and you got to keep it
apples.
growing, the apples and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. That when that first came out, whoo, buddy. I was probably like a little younger than you. Anytime we were bored, you like ask your dad, "Can I play Snake?" And then the phone would die after like 5 minutes.
Well, you can play it on Google now.
Yeah, you can play it on Google now.
It's
True that. Well, NASDAQ again holding up right there above the VWAP here. It's refusing to go down for now at least. 1135. If you look here on the hourly chart, just kind of consolidation bullshit price action. So deluxe ski jumping with the mouse, maybe. Playing on the Nokia. Yeah, baby. DVDs and games in the mail for Netflix. I never did that, to be honest, but I do remember those. We had the thing where you could rent like pay-per-view movies on your TV, but you know, like it would start at a certain time, so you had to like wait around and be like, okay, there's a movie starting at 8 o'clock. Get ready, guys. We're gonna watch it at 8 o'clock because you couldn't pause it. Like you had to you had to start the movie at 8 and then you had to play it. The crazy world. I feel like, imagine Nana, what she thinks about the world.
Yeah.
Growing up with no technology during World War II. Blockbuster, yeah, we used to go to Blockbuster every week, get some popcorn at Blockbuster, take it home, put it in the microwave, get that movie style popcorn. Good old days. The good old days. And then you had to make sure you rewind the VHS tape. I remember when DVDs first came out, it was like a weird thing because like if you didn't have a DVD player, you couldn't watch a DVD. And then there was like Blu-ray, all kinds of crazy stuff. Blockbuster was the best. You knew you were gonna have a great weekend. That was true. That was true. Be kind, rewind, yeah. Oh man, what a just a different world. Look at this pop right now. This is, I don't know. What do? Do you just, I don't know. You go long, you go short. I'd say you probably just don't do anything. Push it back up there above the 850s for now. We've got 29,000. Kind of the high of day area. Will it go there? Possibly. We've got SpaceX tomorrow morning. The big IPO of the century, of maybe the IPO of the universe. The amount of hype around the SpaceX IPO is going to be huge. So we'll see. Other than that, I don't really know what else to do. I'm already locked out $30,000 in my Lucid account here. We locked in a $30,000 day in the Lucid account. We gave back some profit in the Tradeify accounts, but overall, green on the day here. $6,000 times 5 accounts. That's $30,000 in profit this morning trading. Getting that big pop, locking it down, and then locking out the account. So we're gonna take it, and we're gonna love it. We're actually, me and Landon got to go pick up the boat, get the boat ready for this weekend. We're going fishing this weekend. Had to get the boat, do some service on it. I've been gone. It's been sitting, but we're just trying to get this market to move in the direction that I want it to. Right now, it ain't doing it. It just won't do it, chat. I don't know why. Right back up again. There it goes. 28,870s, 8,900, 28,900 area coming up there next. So that's it. That's all I got. I wish I had more for you, but I don't. Market's still pushing. Still pushing. The drop was on the news. Makes sense. Makes sense. That's all I got. What do you think, Lan? Time to go? Peace out.
Probably.
Peace to the Middle East. What does he want to study in college?
I don't know.
He don't know. He ain't going to college. He just talking.
Okay.
By the end of the summer, he'll be talking about how he ain't going to college. It just takes a little bit of time. When he comes back and stays with me for a while, the BDH comes out.
I mean,
So.
I don't want to go to college.
See, now the truth comes out. That's what happens when he lived with his mom for the school year. Now he's back with the real boys, the non-college educated men. Yo, daddy didn't go to college. I'm not far from a bad influence. I make more money than 99% of people that went to college on this planet. So yeah, I think I'm the right kind of influence. No college, no degree, but got more money than most people that have a degree. So I think the truth is in the pudding. The pudding's in the pudding. I mean, I would rather put Landon in like a trade school to go learn how to be a welder. Like if you're gonna like go to school to be a welder, then you can make money forever anywhere in the world. You can go anywhere in the world and weld and make 6 figures living. Go to college, get a degree, no one will hire you. Electrician? Yeah, I mean, I don't know, just have a school. Have some kind of skill. I think for kids to have a skill, that's more important than having a degree. Robots are taking over welding. Not forever. Be a gardener. I mean, I don't know. I want to see robots do the shit that I do with the welder. They can't. They can't. Having both is a double weapon? Nah. There's not one job on this planet that Landon wants to do that he needs a college degree for. I told him if he wants to go to college, he can go to college, but I'm not paying for it. So, I mean, I would be down for Landon to go to the military for 4 years. That'd be good for him. Go learn some cool shit, travel the world. I think going to the military is great. You're 18 years old, you go to the military, you get out when you're 22, you got money saved up. You got to see the world. Look at Denny. Denny's, you know, he's a little gay, but he's pretty straight and narrow. You definitely don't need college to be successful, but if you study something that you truly love, it's a wonderful experience. I mean, I don't know of any job in the world that pays you a lot of money to do something that you love. Come on now. Be a botanist, be a ecologist. It ain't a day unless Denny's catching strays. Hey, you know, got to keep Denny in check. I mean, by the time Land is old enough to go to the military, it might be the best option anyway. Be the safest place. Once the world's coming to an end, once we're all fighting over the data centers, it'll be just a big battle of data centers. Who's got the biggest data center? Who's got the biggest data center? The war of data centers. Kid says he wants to go to college. Encourage it. Nikki, you shut up, bitch. I'm just kidding. Now, I told Landon he knows I encourage whatever he wants to do. But at the same time, I'm not gonna pay for him to go to college just because. If he's like serious about it, that's one thing. But he ain't just going to college to go fucking get drunk and hang out all day. He can do that for free. You know, no reason to pay for him to go to college to hang out with a bunch of idiots. I know enough places he can go hang out with idiots at. So they're building the world's biggest data center in Texas currently. That could be true. He could be the ultimate frat boy with a helicopter and a PJ. Yeah, no. Yeah, that's exactly what I don't want to happen. College will turn him into a left-wing liberal. I doubt it. I doubt it. College girls. Well, you see, the great thing about college girls is you don't need to go to college to get college girls. You just need a boat. Simple. I tell people all the time, like, hey, don't worry about wasting money on a college degree. Just buy you a boat, and you can get all the sorority girls you can get. Like catching fish with a net. Just like shooting fish in a barrel. Nikki said $200,000 Pokemon card and won't spend $60,000 to send your kid to college. Grow up, man. Hey, Nikki. Hey, Nikki. Hey, Nikki. Again, very simple. Just shut the fuck up. Nikki. Hey, Nikki, what's your net worth, Nikki? What's your college degree? Let me hear it. Tell me how it's gender studies. Tell me how you went to school to get gender study degree. How much money do you make with that degree? You meet some of your lifelong friends in college. Yeah, that's gay. Crime punishment, that's the gayest thing I've ever seen someone write. Your lifelong friends in college, what do you guys fucking say? You have just fucking sing Kumbaya and fucking drink fucking some matcha teas together while you're sitting around in a circle fucking talking about how y'all are friends? God, that's gay. That's the most poor person thing that anyone's ever said in here. If you go to college, you meet your friends for life. Nah, dog. You go out in the fucking bullshit. You go out in the shit. You want to meet real friends? You go out in the fucking shit. Whatever kind of shit you go get into the shit. And you'll find out who your real friends are. You go down to Mexico. You get kidnapped by the cartel. You're going to find out who your real friends are. Okay? You ain't going to meet your real friends in college. You're going to meet them somewhere else. God, you meet your friends in the bars late at night. Come on now, everyone knows that. That 2 a.m. friend that you're when you're drunk and he's drunk and you guys become best friends. You gotta carry each other home because you're both falling down. That's where the friendship is made. No one makes friends in college. It's a lie. Don't let them lie to you, Landon. You go to school to learn the secrets of the universe and develop technical problem-solving skills. I'm pretty sure Landon can figure out problems. He's good. He don't need no more skills. Look at him. He's ready to go. He's so over it. Only associates are made in college. That's true. That's true. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. He's only 14, so he's still got 4 more years to get through high school. We'll worry about the college when he gets there. But I have a feeling that by the time he's graduating high school, he won't be so worried about college. I was the same way, honestly. I was really smart in 8th grade, and then I went to 9th grade, and then I figured out that being smart didn't get girls. So then I started being a surfer. Surfer dude. I was a surfer dude. I just wanted to go surfing. I didn't care about school. I didn't care about nothing. I just cared about surfing, man. I was going surfing 3 or 4 times a week, just going surfing. I was out there surfing all the time. In my 12th grade year, I didn't go to school because I was surfing so much, and then I got in trouble because I missed so much school because I was surfing. So don't become a surfer. Or maybe you could. You never know. There it is. Yeah. What do you think, Landon? Time for the boat?
Yeah.
All right, well, we're heading out, boys. And we'll see you tomorrow morning. DMoney will probably be back here later on for a little Power Hour action. Power Hour lately has been pretty juicy, some good setups. So if you have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Any last words of wisdom, Landon? Tell us some advice. Tell the chat some advice.
I don't got
Tell them something.
I don't got anything.
Tell them something I told you. Nothing?
Nothing.
You got no advice for me?
Nothing.
Man, you are really making me look bad right now. Nothing? Remember the one thing I told you?
What's the one?
The one thing. If you ain't first, you're last.
Yeah. That.
Yeah, there you go. All right. There it is. Peace to the Middle East. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. It's going to be wild. It's going to be crazy. It's Fresh Catch Friday!